What is going on, everybody? It's DkDynamite with a live stream here at, 3 o'clock Central today. We do have an Activision earnings call to react to in about 30 minutes. But aside from that, we do have a Cold War update, which definitely confused me. And we're going to be going through that in a second. Let's, but he said no good Discord. Wait, the link from Nightbot is no good? Let me know. Yeah, let's open up our game real quick and check out what the deal is here. So we have a patch in Cold War going live tonight, and I'll tell you what's confusing about this, right? So it becomes installable tonight at 11 o'clock Central my time. That's about 12 o'clock Eastern. So what exactly is in this update? Because the hammer and sickle is already out, which is confusing. As we will go through in a second. Let's open up our game. I definitely thought it was Season 6 Reloaded. I would love to see a Season 6 Reloaded. I would absolutely love that. Will there be a Bombcast on Friday? Bombshell Podcast. I would change that name. I definitely plan on doing one, but depending on how crazy hectic the launch of Vanguard is, that will determine if we do a podcast this Friday. I usually always say whenever there's a major update, there may not be a podcast, but we'll see. Let me fix my Elgato real quick. Let me just reactivate that source here. All right. New Rampage Inducer stuff. Yeah, I mean, do we really need a new title update just for those updates, though? I mean, that seems like a hot fix kind of thing. But you never know. Let's see. So first off, in multiplayer, the Hammer and Sickle is already out, which is strange. The Split Personality Bundle is already out for 1,800 COD points. I think we'll go get a couple matches in with this one. Why not? It's a pretty cool bundle. It's what could be the final bundle of Black Ops Cold War as we know it for the time being. I mean, it's a cool looking bundle. Don't get me wrong. Let me open up Discord as well. Thank you. Was that Vinny for the sub? Appreciate that. I appreciate that. So my original plan today was to go live a lot earlier. I was going to go live at noon, at 12 o'clock my time, with what I thought was going to be an update. And then Treyarch tweeted out that this Hammer and Sickle update for Cold War was going live tonight. I'll pull up their tweet real quick, which is really confusing. And they ended up still dropping it at 12. So I'm like, what? I don't know what the miscommunication was from Treyarch today. Super confusing. Treyarch also changed their profile picture. Let me pull that up on Twitter. Let me pull this up. Bingo. All right. Yeah, Treyarch changed their profile picture. Something here from Vanguard, one of the old gods, I believe. What's up, Tyler? Yeah, the update is out now. Yeah, I was really confused with their wording of their tweet. First off, the Vanguard World Premiere concert, I guess you can call it, with the campaign showcase, multiplayer showcase, live performance from Migos, and then first look at Zombies and Warzone Pacific. That's going to be happening tomorrow night, 6 o'clock Pacific. That's 8 o'clock Central my time. They have all the acts split up into 3 parts. Pretty cool exclusive look there. Got some celebrities popping up. Very interesting. Treyarch then confirms tomorrow is the debut of the Vanguard Zombies Duran Fung intro cinematic cutscene. I did predict this a while ago. I'm like, you know what? They're going to end up dropping a separate cutscene for Duran Fung for sure. Because you could tell the reveal trailer was kind of like a glimpse of the intro, but not the full version. So here's what they said right here. 9 p.m. Pacific update, which is tonight, includes the Hammer and Sickle, which is not true because we already got it earlier. I'm not sure what happened there. On-stop for all platforms, 100% of rewards, new Prestige Shop content, new zombie updates, and more. They also confirmed we're getting the final gunfight tournament tonight, so maybe I'll beat that tonight. We'll see. 100% of rewards, Prestige Shop updates. I guess they're adding a carve to the Prestige Shop. We'll see. And then after the Onslaught info, where's the stuff about the Rampage Inducer? Let's see. Okay, we have the outro cinematic, which I watched earlier and I was blown away by. We're going to watch that again right now, just for the sake of it. So we have the outro and then more Vanguard info here. So let's go ahead and watch the outro real quick one more time. I was really blown away by this. It's kind of a cliffhanger. It's kind of not. I'm surprised they didn't tie into Black Ops 2 a little bit more. I was a little confused by that, but let's go ahead and watch this real quick. Let's watch it again. Hold up. So I guess they just killed all of Stitch's friends? They ended up just killing all of Stitch's friends. Yeah, the other Perseus members, Travis. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
This one's all yours, brother.
Got Hudson and Woods behind them as well. They don't say a word. It's a beautiful looking cutscene, though. Oh my god, he's gonna shoot Stitch right here.
Adler, you took your time.
It's over. Your sick experiment is done.
12, 19,
You
14.
can't do it. You can't do it.
Don't waste your breath. I'm clean.
I figured. It was worth a try. My work was finished before your little act of rebellion.
The act of
This
rebellion.
change is nothing.
Tell me where Perseus is.
You never understood. Perseus was never one man. It's an ideal.
Yeah, we already knew that though. Perseus was never one man.
Than any of us.
Oh, spare me your horse shit. Where the fuck is Perseus?
Right here. Cancer took him in 83.
So Perseus is already dead. The guy from Stranger Things, that's the actor who played Perseus in the campaign, who we thought was like the one big bad, and he wasn't.
A great man with great vision. He was not the first Perseus, just as I will not be the last.
You're coming with me. There's blood on your hands.
Big words from the Scourge of Verdansk.
Fuck you. I wasn't in my right mind. You saw to that.
You Westerners. So squeamish. Look at where we are.
Stitch is such a good villain, man.
This was the Eastern Front. The blood of millions of my people so deep into the soil. Men and women who paid the ultimate price for what had to be done.
You're a fucking monster. I should kill you for what you've done.
Yeah, they're in the lumber area of Verdansk 84, I'm pretty sure. It's near that area of the map. Yeah, this is the outro, chat. This is the outro.
Matters. Do what you will. Finish what you started on Rebirth Island.
I like how he
My
touches his
podcast
scar.
was complete. I have changed the world, Adler.
Somebody thought it was like a call for a sniper to shoot Adler.
Even imagine.
What did Stitch do then? Like, someone gets shot there. Could it have been a sniper that shoots Adler, or did Adler shoot Stitch? And then if Adler did shoot Stitch, then where's the explanation of where he was in Black Ops 2, right? I'm surprised they didn't retcon something. That's what I don't understand, right? It's a little crazy. I will put a timer on screen for anybody that's confused about the Activision call. I'll put one on right now. Let me get that up real quick. That's the thing I don't get is that, I mean, I was expecting them to maybe retcon how it leads to Black Ops 2. Woods gets captured by Menendez. Adler or Stitch die or disappear. I was expecting something like that, and they didn't do it. So I'm like, maybe Black Ops 2 is not canon anymore? I don't know. Thanks for the sub, buddy. Maybe Black Ops 2 is just not canon anymore. I don't know. Yeah, the call's gonna be at, what is that, 4:30 or 3:30 my time, I'm sorry, 3:30 my time. Here's the timer coming up. I am just saving this. All right, we got 21 minutes left. I'll pull one up just in case if anybody's like, what's going on? Yeah, I would have went live a lot earlier today, chat, but like I said, I was confused with Treyarch's wording of their tweet. They made it seem like the whole update was tonight at 9 o'clock, but clearly the hammer and sickle dropped way sooner than we thought. Let me fix that timer. Doesn't look right. There we go. Now it looks right. All right. Yeah, just to fix that real quick. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be upset if they just scrapped Black Ops 2's canon and just released a new Black Ops after Cold War that ignored Black Ops 2 completely. I mean, they can still do a 90s Call of Duty. That's the thing, right? They can still do a 90s Call of Duty after Cold War. But then that kind of gets messy with how Black Ops 2 did have some missions set in the past, which kind of conflicts with that, right? That's what's confusing about this. But today is potentially our last day or our last update for Black Ops Cold War before Vanguard comes out, as far as we know, right? So cheers to everybody in chat for supporting all of my Cold War coverage this past year. It seriously means a lot. It's been a hell of a grind. I've loved this game. I've supported it in every way possible, covering all game modes. And hopefully you guys will stick around with my Vanguard coverage and beyond. I mean, it's been such an honor to grow the way that we have on this channel and keep covering Call of Duty. Seriously, it means a lot. Let's go ahead and just run the hammer and sickle for like 20 minutes. We'll see how we like it. Get the ball rolling here. Let me see if my members. Let me double check my member count. See if that's even up to date. It might not be. Let me open this up real quick. Member count. Let's see. What else? We also have a tweet, I believe, from... Let's see what else we have here. We have confirmation of the embargo. This is important now, so I want to let you guys know this because this is important. Let me catch up on chat as well. I know I missed a few things in chat. It is confirmed. Oh, okay. Charlene's already has info from Activision. That's funny, as they usually do. Hold up. Let me fix my window capture here. So Charlene's already confirmed. Activision Blizzard generated a 1.2 billion in revenue from microtransactions during quarter 3 2021. Billion. Like that, I mean, that's uncalled for, man. I mean, it makes sense. Warzone, microtransactions, Cold War, Modern Warfare, all that success. I mean, that's a lot of money. So if anybody ever says COD's dead, I'm like, we're at a peak right now in terms of their performance with this franchise. But the embargo, here's the important thing I wanted to go through real quick. I saw the tweet and I just lost it. Let's see. First, Treyarch confirms in their blog that playing Vanguard will continue to progress your Season 6 Battle Pass for Cold War and Warzone. Yeah, because Season 1 doesn't start till December 2nd. Where is the embargo info? Okay, here it is. The embargo to start streaming Vanguard lifts Thursday, November 4th, 6 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Eastern. If you stream or showcase gameplay before that time, your content will be taken down by Activision. What's weird about that, though, here's the thing. I have an early copy from New Zealand of Vanguard, right? So I'm able to play tomorrow. So I'm not going to try to get a copyright strike. Last year, I streamed Cold War's campaign early because of the New Zealand copy I had, and they didn't strike. This year, they might strike. I don't know if I want to take that risk. So regardless, Thursday, November 4th, 6 a.m. Pacific, that is still a whole day before the game even launches globally. So I think I'll stream campaign Thursday then. Tomorrow I'll just work on videos, getting stuff prepared for launch. I guess that's how I'll do it. So there's the embargo info. I'll be streaming the full campaign when we're allowed to, which is this Thursday. I guess that's when the press and other content creators are going to be streaming the game. I am going on Discord, by the way. Let's see what's up. What up, what up, what up? Ola.
Yo, what's up?
How's it going? Anything new?
No.
Let's check out this hammer and sickle, chat.
No jump boost. It's an out melee weapon. I'm sorry.
No, did you unlock it legit? Did you buy it?
I'm not buying it. No jump boost.
No jump boost. Let's see. Hammer and sickle. And it's dual wield, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, showcase unsupported. Look at the operator came with, chat. So it was for Antonov. Oh wait, that's Garcia. Antonov's right here. There we go. Oh wait, who's the other skin? Oh, it's this guy right here. They're both for Antonov. Crusher. 2 skins for the same person. I like that. All right. Yeah, I love how Charlie Into already tweets out information from the call. The call hasn't started yet. I love it. Let me pull up their call though. Activision earnings call. Let's see. Yeah, it starts in 15 minutes. Let me click here. Let me click the webcast. All right, let me not dox myself. Let me put my info in. You can type your name, your email. Once again, chat, my first Facebook exclusive video went up last night. Another one dropping tonight. The Nightbot command should be working. Thank you to Spider-Man for the reminder about that. My Facebook gaming page where nothing will change about my YouTube content, but I'll have exclusive and different videos also posted there on Facebook. So any support is appreciated. Really means a lot. Let's see. All right, I just submitted my info, and the webcast is not live yet. They have elevator music playing, so I'm gonna not get myself in trouble. Member count, we are currently we're sitting at 77. Let me fix that number. Big beauty. All right. Bless. Whew. All right. So let's see. Where should we run our hammer and sickle in real quick? Got a quick match. Rebirth?
No.
I heard Rebirth. Like, what? Halloween Nuketown? Yeah, I guess we'll just run through Halloween Nuketown real quick. My lobby's open if anyone wants to join. We got, what, 14 minutes? Yeah, I would have been live literally 2 hours ago, chat. I seriously would have. Did you hear Modern Warfare 2 logo leaked by Tom Henderson? What? Really? Wait, did this call just go live early? Hold up. No, I don't think it did. Hold up. Tom Henderson. Did he really tweet today? Let's see. Let me fix this. Did he actually tweet the logo out? Let me see. Secret camo is called Atomic in Vanguard. That's actually pretty sick. That's pretty sick. Oh, Gaming Intel. Modern Warfare 2 logo and key art details. That's an interesting logo. That's an interesting logo. Wow. Okay, they recreated it. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, so I guess tonight's update will also get rid of all the haunting changes, loading screens, game modes. Infected is staying, though, as they confirmed. Let me make sure this call hasn't started, though, before I start this matchup. Yeah, it's just elevator music right now. Rip my boy Stitch. Yeah, he might be dead. I mean, I saw a tweet. Let me see if it's still on my likes. Somebody tweeted out where that was in Verdansk. Oh, I lost a tweet. Fuck, I forgot who tweeted it. Oh, no round base just got confirmed. Yo. Let's see. GameSpot interview with Treyarch. No confirmation of round base maps. Well, I think the thing is there is round base, as you know, it might get worked into some other mechanics. That's probably the best I can say without giving it away, but I think round base comes up a lot. We're not forgetting about round base fans. They're going to be satisfied with some upcoming stuff that will be pretty cool. Wow. So yeah, no round base confirmed for the meantime. I mean, everybody knew that, but if anybody was still in denial about it. Yeah, I don't think round base is happening, period. I mean, some gaming scoopers are saying they have heard nothing about it. Yeah, the cope will begin.
Cope it did.
Yeah, the cope will begin. Let's see this hammer and sickle chat. All right. Anything I missed in chat? Did you see the Morbius trailer? I haven't watched the new one. I have not watched the new one. I have not watched the new one. I will check it out though. All right, let's inspect this hammer and sickle real quick.
I can't join you.
Oh, I'm running game.
Oh, you're in game.
Yeah, let's see. A nice dual wield melee weapon. I like it, chat. Not too big of an update today, but what was even? I gotta read the challenge for I unlock it legit. See if I can even get any kills with this. Oh, that didn't do anything. 74 used sweats already on Nuketown. Nice. I swear I swiped them. Oh, you could definitely go off with this one. Oh! Oh! Oh, wow. 74 guy. I ran past 2 people in our own house. That's nice. Let's try this out a little bit. Somebody needs to come up to me. This guy's lagging like a... Oh my god. No way he looks at me. Oh, yeah, there we go. This is pretty cool, chat. I like the feel of this thing. I want to rock it in zombies later too. Oh, and he tomahawks me. We have professionals in this lobby apparently. I get tomahawked. Happy Tuesday. Hey, appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. There we go. I got him. I like the feel of this thing. Oh, and I get tomahawked. There's a professional tomahawker in here. He's trying to challenge me, I guess. Steph Curry with the shot. Look at that. He doesn't miss. I like the feel of this thing, though. Imagine, how does Dark Ether look on this thing? That's what I'm wondering. We'll like to see that. Oh, can't see. Yeah, we're in a really bad lobby, chat. Really bad. Our team is abysmal. Oh, look at this guy. Oh. Oh. See if anybody... This is hard to push people, though, with... everyone's sweating. Oh, hello. Got him. Ooh, let's go. Anybody going for a nuke with this thing? This thing's fun to use. No speed boost like the Psy, though. That's unfortunate. Oh, my God. Ah! Oh! A knife outdid the hammer and sickle. No way. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. We got 9 minutes to our call. Let me make sure it hasn't started yet, though. Might start early sometimes. No, they're still playing. Elevator music. All right, we're good. We're good. God of Anger is gonna die. You know, I think if Cold War says anything, Outbreak was super successful. So I think if the player count stays high for Duran Fung, I think we'll be seeing a fresh start for zombies in Vanguard. We'll see. But either way, I really don't care. I'm excited for the future. I'm excited for new things. Where's a war machine? Oh, yeah, the enemy team is sweating. Our team is garbage. That's all right. We're just having fun with our melee. Oh, that guy's going off. I hear somebody spamming. Is that an LM? I wonder if it's an LMG. Oh, I'm dead. Yep. Let's see. I'm waiting for someone to come in chat and saying, "You're doing so bad." I'm just gonna melee weapon. Not even shooting guns. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, he got burned. He got burned. We should probably run on face-off real quick, shouldn't we? Maybe try face-off. That might be difficult, though. Small-ass maps. See if I can make it up here. Oh! I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I can't heal. I don't have a stim shot. See if I can... Okay, I healed. What the... Wow. 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 I get flashbang, dude. Look at this Diamond 74 use sweat using Season 1 metas over here. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah, I might do a quick face-off. I want to see if I can even use this on face-off. Is it doable? Our team is so bad. Oh, I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead. Oh, we have a trophy in our spawn. Yeah, I'm gonna try face-off. I love when I want to get a quick match in just to use something. We have like COD champ sweats over the enemy team. My team was doing nothing. No, it's PS5. It's not PC. PS5. Let's try face-off. Let's see if I can even... Oh, 6v6 though? Is there a regular face-off? Probably not. Alright, yeah, triple-double event's over, obviously. The call has not started. Yeah, it has not started yet. Alright, just making sure. In case they go live early. Yeah, you're doing good. Dead Silence, how about you? How about you? Vanguard's going to be just fine. I'm pretty sure every year. Super predictable that people come out this time to trash new COD. Oh yeah, I said this in last night's video. We're a few days away from... Oh, Cold War's underrated. Vanguard's worse than BO4. You will be hearing that. I guarantee you. People will start saying that. It's gonna be hilarious. Get ready. I think what's really crazy is that today. Oh, another sortie lobby where my team's brain dead. I love it. Yeah, team can't do nothing. I'm really curious if this investors call is gonna confirm where Cold War stands, since clearly it outpaced Modern Warfare in sales. Modern Warfare was only the best-selling game of 2019. Cold War is the best-selling game of 2020 and 2021. So I'm like, where does that leave Cold War at, right? Did it outsell Modern Warfare? Did it somehow not, even though it's best-selling game for 2 years instead of 1? I don't know. I'm curious where that's going to leave us by the end of this phone call today, so we'll see. Super interested. Charlie Intel, I think, tweeted again. Let's see. They confirmed no round base, so if anybody's still coping, then there it is. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, they're still tweeting stuff. Activision had 119 million monthly users active in Q3, which is consistent year over year. The premium sales of Call of Duty was as high as it's ever been in Q3, except for Q3 2020, as the Modern Warfare Warzone lockdowns last year resulted in higher sales. Okay. So that might be a bit of what I'm talking about here, with Cold War outpacing Modern Warfare a little bit. Let's see, 5 minutes. Can we get some free kills? Let's enjoy our hammer and sickle without getting whacked. Might be possible. Wait, said the Q3 sales were... Wait. Was as high as it's... Wait, premium sales highest it's ever been in Q3, except for Q3 2020. Okay, so the lockdowns last year... Yeah, I'm so... I need to hear this explained on the phone call. I'm so confused with this wording.
Team deathmatch.
Because if they're saying that Q3 sales last year were higher, how does that work if Modern Warfare is only the best-selling game of 2019, not 2020 and 21? I don't know how that works. Oh, they spawned behind us, bro. 6v6, I forgot. Got his ass. Hammer Sickle level 2 already? We'll take it. Amsterdam's a fun map. I like this map. I might get shot right here. Nowhere to be found? Where's everybody at? Oh, there's not 6 enemies. Hold up. Oh, behind us, of course. Yep. Nice Milano, buddy. Where are these guys at? Oh, he's right here. See if I can find anybody. People are backing out. People are rejoining. Oh, nice little slide there. That was cheeky. That was cheeky. Woo! Hell, enemies throwing tomahawks. What's up with the tomahawks? Oh! Oh! Stay still. Oh, you get a little lunge going with this thing too. I love it. Wow. No. And he happens to be using a cane with dark ether on it. With dark ether on it. I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Woo! Wow. Oh. Oh, is everybody using melee? Oh! My god, what is going on? Everybody's using melee weapons, I think. I'm going in, I'm going in. Turn around, baby. Oh! We're going off here, bro. He's coming in. Ready? Oh, I can't. Why do people use... I should start running, what's that perk? Everybody uses flashbangs. I love it. Maybe that's what, for the hammer and sickle unlock challenge? I gotta check the challenge after this. I have to check. Oh, this thing's really fun to use, man. I might like it more than the Sai, even though the Sai gives you that speed boost. This one's just really unique, man. We haven't seen a hammer and sickle since when, Ascension Zombies Chronicles, I think? It was never a melee weapon in multiplayer. This is a first. What a great choice, though. Oh, he got me. Yeah, his was faster than mine, apparently. Look at that. This guy's spamming. He's just like... Whew. Alright. Ernie's call in 2 minutes. Yes, sir. Oh, we're not pushing that. Oh, I'm gonna get shot right here. Yep, I'm gonna get shot. Oh! No, and he has marshals. He took out his marshals. He's a Dark Ether LC10 as well. These are really fun. I really like these. I really like these. Oh, yeah. The hammer's a little slower than it should be. Yeah, you want to really swipe left. That's your best bet. The hammer's a little slower. Oh, I'm getting beamed by tracers over here. Someone camping in here? Yep. Oh, I'm dead. You guys using an OTS season 4 beauty. Oh, did I just beat his size? Oh, oh, wow. This match is gonna end perfect timing right now. Oh, I got his ass. Low blow, low blow, low blow. Oh, how is this so fast? His are so much faster than mine, or maybe he's more used to them. Look at that. Jesus Christ. He just goes right in. These are great, though. I really enjoy these. I really enjoy these. 9 more kills of this match. Oh, someone's camping on the stairs. 40 seconds to our investors call. Unless they're running late. This guy just got whacked. And that's gonna be it for our match, I'm pretty sure. Oh! Got his ass. I got the final kill. I get the final kill. See, speaking of the hammer and sickle, you know what makes sense now? Hold up. I'll tell you what makes sense. Is the forgotten Black Ops Cold War logo, which never got used. I made a custom hat with it. Now that makes sense because we have the hammer and sickle. I'll take it. Alright, let's see. Call should be starting now. I still hear elevator music. Alright. And 2, 1. Done. Done. Alright, let's go ahead and close our app real quick. We might come back to a few more matches after the phone call chat. Let's see. Let me just close my app real quick. There we go. Turn off chat link. Alright, let's see what the deal is there. Oh man, yeah, get that beautiful logo in my chat. I have the email for it. Let's not get copyrighted from elevator music though. Do you know where I can find that unused Cold War logo? Any PNGs? I will post it in my Discord tonight. Go to the general tab or go to the pictures tab of my server. I'll post it in there tonight. I think it's on my other computer. I'll post the PNG in there if you want. Unless Fajardi has it handy. I'm not sure if he's around. I gotta watch the Morbius trailer. I would have watched it live on stream with you guys, but that's a nice copyright claim from Sony. Hammer and Sickle hits like a bus. I love it. I think it's a lot of fun. Oh, it started. Woo!
Please signal a conference specialist by pressing the star key followed by 0. After today's presentation, there will be an opportunity to ask questions. To ask a question, you may press star then 1 on your telephone keypad. To withdraw your question, please press star then 2. Please note this event is being recorded. I would now like to turn the conference over to Chris Hickey, Senior Vice President of Investor Relations.
Investor
Please
Relations.
Go ahead.
Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us today for Activision Blizzard's third quarter 2021 conference call. With us are Bobby Kotick, CEO, Daniel Alegre, President and COO, and Armin Zerza, CFO. And for Q&A, Rob Kostic, Mike Ibarra, and Hamam Saknini, the leaders of Activision, Blizzard, and King, respectively, will also join us. I would like to remind everyone that during this call, we will be making statements that are not historical facts. The forward-looking statements in this presentation are based on information available to the company as of the date of this presentation. And while we believe them to be true, they ultimately may prove to be incorrect.
I'm putting in the Discord link in chat. See if that works.
Actual future results and other future circumstances to differ materially from those expressed in any forward-looking statements. These include the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, the risk factors discussed in our SEC filings, including our 2020 annual report on Form 10-K and third quarter 2021 Form 10-Q, and those on the slide that is showing. The company undertakes no obligation to release publicly any revisions to any forward-looking statements to reflect events or circumstances after today, November 2nd, 2021. We will present both GAAP and non-GAAP financial measures during this call. We provide non-GAAP financial measures, which exclude the impact of expenses related to stock-based compensation, the amortization of intangible assets and expenses related to acquisitions, including legal fees, costs, expenses, and accruals, expenses related to debt financings and refinancings, restructuring and related charges, the associated tax benefit of these excluded items, and significant discrete tax-related items, including amounts related to changes in tax laws.
Yeah, right. Where's our Black Ops 3 Remastered announcement?
And other unusual or unique tax-related items and activities.
1 in the chat. They announced Cold War Year 2. 2 in the chat. Cap. Let's see.
Super 4 or superior to our GAAP results. We encourage investors to consider all measures before making an investment decision. Please refer to our earnings release, which is posted on www.activisionblizzard.com for a full GAAP to non-GAAP reconciliation and further explanation with respect to our non-GAAP measures. There is an earnings presentation, which you can access with the webcast, and which will be posted to the website following the call. And now, I'd like to introduce our CEO, Bobby Kotick.
Bobby Kotick.
Thank you, Chris, and thank you all for joining us today. As I said during our last earnings call, I want Activision Blizzard to be the leader in our industry for workplace culture. Since then, the leadership team and I have been hard at work listening to employees and implementing meaningful changes. I'd like to review the actions we've taken over the past few months with you today. As we've made clear, in certain instances relating to workplace culture, we should have done a better job ensuring our values were embraced across all parts of the company. Over the last few years, we've been focused on the improvements that are necessary to become a model workplace. We are, of course, taking these actions because any single instance of wrongful conduct at our company is unacceptable. But these actions we're taking are also the right ones for our business success. We can't achieve our business ambitions without the very best talent. People with the talents we need have more alternatives for highly paid work opportunities than ever before. If we don't constantly evolve as a great place to work, we won't retain or attract the talent we need to realize our tremendous potential. As a company, we have more opportunities ahead of us than I've seen in almost all the years I've led the company. The success we've achieved thus far is the result of an overwhelmingly large number of extraordinarily talented people with high integrity and good values, focused on delivering great games to our players, which has resulted in superior shareholder returns. This company,
Occasion, I love
many
it.
of its leaders, and so many of our talented employees, past and present, have shown strength of will dedicated to the achievement of bold aspirations. Our commitment to make Activision Blizzard the most welcoming and inclusive company in the world will be accomplished the same way our industry leadership has been accomplished. Focus and commitment, persistence, strength of will, the unwavering ambition of truly talented people with equally unwavering integrity, and the continuous commitment to improvement. In September, we announced a comprehensive agreement with the U.S. Equal Opportunity Commission, which is subject to court approval, to strengthen.
Before they even talk about their games, they're going through all this lawsuit information as well, how they're bouncing back from everything. Yeah, I'll be streaming after this call's over, EXO, for sure.
An $18 million fund to compensate those who have experienced such behavior at our company. With respect to pay equity, another critically important issue that we have always...
I'm not on Twitch. Viper, I'm only on YouTube and Facebook Gaming, man. Links are in my link tree on Twitter or in the description on my YouTube.
Independent research firm. The U.S. analysis showed that women on average earn slightly more than men for comparable work in 2020. And we're committed to compensation remaining equitable for men and women performing comparable work, always. Last week, we also announced a number of important new workplace initiatives. We announced a zero-tolerance harassment policy company-wide. This includes tougher rules and greater consistency across the organization to make certain reports are always properly and promptly handled. Now, any Activision Blizzard employee found through our new investigative processes and resources to have retaliated against anyone for making a compliance complaint will be terminated immediately.
Termination, baby.
In many other instances of workplace misconduct, we will no longer rely on written warnings. Terminations will be the outcome, including in most cases of harassment based on any legally protected category.
Legally protected categories. Hey, thank you so much, Hells. Thank you for my number one news source for Cold War's life cycle.
For these reasons.
Cheers to the year ahead and bigger, better things to come. Fajardi for president. Hey, man. Really appreciate that, buddy.
Percentage of women and non-binary people.
Appreciate you sticking around, man. Got a lot on the way.
Today, approximately 23% of our global employee population identifies as women or non-binary. So within the next 5 years, and hopefully faster, we will seek to increase our percentage of women and non-binary professionals to more than 1/3 across the entire company. To further this commitment, we'll be investing an additional $250 million over the next 10 years in initiatives that foster expanded opportunities in gaming and technology for underrepresented communities. Additionally, based on feedback from many employees,
Holy shit, Jack.
we are waiving required arbitration.
Love you guys, man.
Individual sexual harassment and discrimination claims. That means for any employee who chooses not to arbitrate an individual claim of sexual harassment, unlawful discrimination, or related retaliation arising in the future, the company will waive any obligation to do so. As we report regularly on our progress and our financial results, you'll continue to hear more about our workplace initiatives, which we firmly believe will help us remain one of the world's most successful entertainment companies. I want to thank our employees for their continued commitment.
Hey, Fajardi, if you get a chance, can you fix that bot in Discord for Facebook? It does work when I post, but it's not sending the link out. Let me know if you can check that out real quick.
Forward and share their stories. We continue to be committed to investigating all claims thoroughly and holding people accountable. For those employees who have shared feedback, thoughts, suggestions, concerns, and complaints, and there are many of you, we hope you can see from our actions that we are listening.
We are sorry.
We are evolving our organization through your ideas and active participation in their execution. And for those
stream Squid Game on Facebook Gaming. Hey, I'll low-key stream FNAF Security Breach. We'll get a big party going that night.
Resilience in these challenging times is inspiring. We expect that we'll continue to face challenging and negative media attention regardless of our progress. But we are determined to stay focused on providing great opportunities and the very best work environment for our talented employees to deliver the very best games for our players and to continue to provide superior returns for our shareholders. Thank you for your participation today. And now I'll turn the call over to Daniel to share the results of our operations for the last quarter.
Thank you, Bobby. Before I discuss our operating results, I want to take this opportunity to thank our incredibly talented teams across the entire company.
Now, chat, we're getting into the games. They had to get through all the lawsuit stuff, damage control, the works. You guys know what's going on. Here we go.
Activision Blizzard's third quarter results were above our outlook. Our monthly active users and time spent in our content were consistent with the year-ago level, even as regions continued to reopen, while net bookings and operating income grew.
Call of Duty is there, by the way.
This performance again illustrates the structural expansion in our largest franchises as we execute our strategy of delivering gaming experiences across new platforms with more regular content and leveraging multiple commercialization models, including free-to-play. Execution against this strategy enables us to grow our communities, including in geographies outside of our traditional regions, to deepen engagement, and to create more opportunities for player investment. Critical to this is a continued investment in creative talent. We continue to grow our developer headcount in the third quarter and have increased our development organization by hundreds of talented professionals year to date, including announcing new studios and expansions in multiple new cities globally. This geographic diversification strategy is paying dividends, allowing us to tap into critical talent pools in all corners of the world. As we grow our teams with new hires, we are keenly aware of the importance and responsibility we have to ensure a safe working environment for our people. This is our number one priority. Specifically, in recent months, we have taken actions that resulted in the departure of a number of individuals across the company. Additionally, we have seen increased competition in the market for our talent and higher voluntary turnover that has partly offset our success in hiring.
Yeah, thanks for the suggestion.
We have worked with new leadership in Blizzard and within the franchises themselves, particularly in certain key creative.
Wait, somebody said this is fake. God, what?
The Blizzard content plan for next year will benefit from more development time to reach its full potential. While we are still planning to deliver a substantial amount of content from Blizzard next year, we are now planning for a later launch for Overwatch 2 and Diablo 4 than originally envisaged.
Oh, did they delay Overwatch 2?
These
I didn't even know that.
Two of the most eagerly anticipated titles in the industry, and our teams have made great strides towards completion in recent quarters. But we believe giving the team some extra time to complete production
Fake confirmed.
and continue growing their creative resources to support the titles after launch will ensure that these releases delight and engage their communities for many years into the future. These decisions will push out the financial uplift that we had expected to see next year. But we are confident that this is the right course of action for our people, our players, and the long-term success of our franchise.
The long-term success, baby. That's their goal.
Now I will cover our third quarter franchise and operational highlights across our business units.
Fake PowerPoints on Google. I made it in Google Slides in class, bro.
Where on average, 119 million people engaged in our content monthly in the third quarter. Call of Duty continues to sustain reach, engagement, and player investment well above levels seen prior to our introduction of free-to-play experiences across console, PC, and mobile. Monthly active users in the franchise were consistent year over year on console, PC, and grew on mobile. Console and PC engagement trends were consistent with typical trends as we moved away from the premium launch, even as regions continued to reopen through the quarter. Console and PC MAUs and time spent exhibited very similar retention from Q2 to Q3 as our experiences in prior years. In-game player investment on console and PC remained well above pre-Warzone level at approximately 3 times the level of Q3.
Look at all those Call of Duties, man.
And strong conversion from free-to-play drove premium sales higher than in any third quarter prior to the launch of Warzone. And our teams are all set to launch the next phase of exciting new Call of Duty content for players worldwide. This Friday sees the release of Call of Duty Vanguard, and on December 2nd, we will roll out Call of Duty Warzone Pacific, the biggest update to the Warzone experience since launch.
Yeah, that's
As we
wild,
demonstrated with Modern Warfare and Black Ops Cold War, the release of Vanguard is just the first step in delivering the community an incredible amount of ongoing content, live engagement, and much more. Across campaign, zombies, multiplayer, and Warzone, there's no bigger experience or better value over the duration of the game's life cycle across our premium and free-to-play business. And then we expect Warzone Pacific and its new Caldera map to take the free-to-play experience to another level. The premium and free-to-play experiences are more integrated than ever before, sharing the same engine, weapon integration, and content integration, as well as Call of Duty standards of cross-play, cross-progression, and more. Both titles are set to benefit from Ricochet, a new anti-cheat technology aimed at addressing one of the key improvements requested by the community.
Classic Games Canada, I love the name, buddy. Thank you.
We are confident that our players are in store for an incredible set of experiences this holiday season and beyond. On mobile, Call of Duty net bookings grew.
Hey, I got a joke for you guys. We were watching one of these phone calls like 2 years ago. I remember somebody was in chat saying like, why are they talking about all this boring shit? Where's zombies? And I'm like, this isn't a zombies live stream, man. What are you talking about? I remember seeing some goofy ass comments. When they talk about the car extended warranty, I know, right? Fat Albert. Hell yeah, bro.
And features for our communities around the world.
Oh, that's COD Mobile.
And at the same time, we continue to ramp our teams working on new mobile title within the Call of Duty universe. In addition to hiring a substantial number of developers over the last quarter, we were pleased to announce last week the acquisition of Digital Legends.
Oh, they bought Digital Legends,
Barcelona-based mobile game developer that will further bolster the world-class team we are assembling. Turning to Blizzard, monthly active users were 26 million in the third quarter.
This is Blizzard now.
For Diablo, our plan to deliver an era of unprecedented levels of content for the franchise has experienced a strong start with the September release of Diablo 2 Resurrected.
Yeah, Warzone Mobile is coming out. There's a new mobile title coming for COD.
One of the most acclaimed titles in PC gaming history. First week of sales of the title were the highest recorded for remaster from our company, and we have seen strong ongoing demand, particularly in Korea, where the game is one of the most popular titles in internet game rooms.
Thank you, Randy.
With such strong engagement, the team is now working hard to ensure that players have the smoothest possible experience as they explore the world of Sanctuary. This is just the first step in Blizzard's plans for the franchise. On mobile, Diablo Immortal is in public testing and remains on track for release in the first half of next year.
Okay.
And with Diablo 4 set to be the foundation for great experiences for PC and console fans over many years, we believe the pieces are in place to expand and serve the Diablo community better than ever before. Turning to Overwatch, where millions of people continue to engage in both the game and the esport, September saw the grand finals of the Overwatch League become the most watched in the league's history. Starting in the spring, the next season of Overwatch League will run on an early build of Overwatch 2's new 5v5 competitive multiplayer mode, giving the community a fantastic...
What was this comment I just saw? Can you speed this up, please? I want to hear about Zombies round-based map Shino Puma. That was leaked. Oh, my God.
To engage existing, returning, and new Overwatch players next year. Within the Warcraft franchise, World of Warcraft reach and engagement...
Add Euro Mountains to COD Mobile, please.
The combination of the modern game
Let's see it.
And classic under a single subscription. The two games offer players more ways to engage and create more opportunities for our teams to deliver compelling experiences to fans of the franchise. With deep engagement across both classic and modern, WoW's overall subscriber base is stronger than we typically see at this point after a modern expansion launch. And for 2021,
these comments are great, man.
World of Warcraft is on track to deliver its strongest engagement.
Big reminder again, chat, when the whole lawsuit happened, this stemmed out of Blizzard's side of the company, not Activision with Call of Duty and all that. I know Activision owns Blizzard, so they go hand in hand and get equally blamed for the lawsuit, but people that were clickbaiting Call of Duty with the lawsuit just were out of their mind. I mean, this had to do with Blizzard and World of Warcraft, developers on that end. I mean, it could have even affected Call of Duty for all we know, but there's no confirmation of that from the courts. Well, we'll see later, though.
And in October, the team launched Mercenaries, an innovative role-playing mode that gives the Hearthstone community an entirely new way to play the game. Initial results for Mercenaries have been very encouraging, and we believe Hearthstone is positioned for a return to year-over-year growth in net bookings in the fourth quarter. Across the Warcraft franchise, our teams are working on a substantial pipeline of content planned for next year, including new experiences in Classic and Modern WoW, more innovations in Hearthstone, and getting all-new mobile Warcraft content into players' hands for the first time. Blizzard cannot wait to share more details on their plan.
Advanced Warfare 2 and 3, I know,
King
right?
business continues to deliver fantastic results with
Candy
very
Crush.
strong year-over-year trends for both
Thank you,
in-app
G-Spark, for the
purchases
sub. Appreciate
and
that.
advertising. MAUs were 245 million in the third quarter. King's deep capabilities in live operations are driving engagement for both existing and new players. Hours played across the King portfolio grew year over year in the third quarter, with players responding positively to a more frequent cadence of compelling in-game content and events for key titles. The team's prior actions to grow payer conversion alongside ongoing strong execution in user acquisition saw payer numbers growing by a double-digit percentage versus the year-ago quarter. These initiatives drove over 20% year-over-year growth in-game net bookings for Candy Crush, with Candy once again the top grossing game franchise in the U.S. App Stores. Additionally, at the end of the third quarter, King launched the All-Stars U.S. Tournament, a competitive event that saw Candy Crush Saga players battle to be crowned the ultimate Candy Crush All-Star. The event has driven meaningful increases in installs, game rounds played, and in-app purchases in recent weeks, highlighting competitive gameplay as another opportunity for franchise growth and our investment in the Candy Crush brand. In addition to this innovation and success at Candy, for several quarters now, King has been accelerating and refining content delivery in Farm Heroes, its second largest franchise. This work continued to bear fruit in Q3, and year-to-date in-game net bookings have grown around 20% year-over-year. And finally, King's advertising business again grew robustly, with quarterly revenue
Skip the
growing.
grandma's funeral for this call. They didn't announce ZC2. Imagine, bro.
Both volume and pricing grew strongly year-over-year, benefiting from the team's growing relationships with demand partners and the ongoing ramp of new categories of advertisers. In summary, Q3 saw solid year-over-year growth in the business, and we see substantial growth ahead for our portfolio of internally owned IP.
Big portfolio.
While we have seen some slippage in the release schedule for specific titles at Blizzard, we could not be more excited about our plans to unlock the full potential of our largest franchises and to drive meaningful expansion in our reach, engagement, and
I wonder, the phone calls are going to be interesting. I wonder what questions they're going to be asking.
This is only possible because of our team. I want to share an announcement about the leadership of one of those teams. Jen O'Neill, who has been co-lead of Blizzard, has been a passionate advocate for bringing positive changes to the video gaming industry and has been doing so as board member of Women in Gaming International, or WIGI, a nonprofit organization that cultivates and advances equality and diversity in the global games industry. Jen has decided to leave the company at the end of the year, and we have agreed to support Jen in her involvement with WIGI by making a donation
Killer Nation,
to WIGI
appreciate it,
in
buddy.
honor of Jen. In her remaining months with the company, given her commitment to this work, Jen will build a foundation of programs funded by the grant. As such, Mike Ibarra will take on Jen's leadership responsibility. It is great to see how employees at our company are committed to bring about the positive changes in our industry and beyond, and our leadership team stands behind these efforts. Now I will hand over to Armin, who will provide more color on our financial results and outlook. Armin?
Thanks, Daniel. First, I'd like to reiterate that ensuring a workplace that provides opportunity for all in the most welcoming and inclusive way is our top priority.
Gene,
today,
thank you.
I'll review our third quarter results, as well as outlook for the fourth quarter and full year 2021.
Wow.
Our third quarter results were ahead of our prior outlook, with year-over-year growth in net bookings, revenue, operating income, and EPS against difficult year-ago comparables. Importantly, each of these metrics has also grown year-over-year on a year-to-date basis. So even as regions continue to reopen, our business is operating at significantly greater scale than that seen prior to a successful growth initiative across our largest franchises.
The stock went down 8%.
Financial results.
Ghost 9 in chat.
Unless
Wow.
otherwise indicated, I'll be referencing non-GAAP figures. Please refer to our earnings release for full GAAP to non-GAAP reconciliation. Now, for the quarter, we generated Q3 GAAP revenues of $2.07 billion.
Jesus
$100 million above our...
This chat's great. I love you guys, man. I love all the jokes, man. Keep them coming. Keep them coming.
$190 million. Net bookings of $1.88 billion were $30 million above our August outlook. And we generated Q3 GAAP EPS of 82 cents and Q3 non-GAAP EPS of 89 cents, which was 14 cents above our guidance. These figures include the net recognition of deferrals of 17 cents. Q3 EPS included a 3-cent surge from an unrealized loss on an investment, as well as a benefit from a lower than anticipated tax rate in the quarter. Now, turning to cash flow and the balance sheet. Q3 operating cash flow was $521 million.
Final Cold War stream.
More than double the
Kinda
year-ago
sad to be
level,
saying goodbye to
driven
it.
by lower
Most
cash
fun I've had
taxes
on COD in
and favorable
ages,
working capital.
but looking forward to the Vanguard cycle.
Cash and investment.
Brother Mark, thank you so much for that, man. I will say I've had some of the most fun playing COD with Cold War as well, and people will call me a shill, call me biased, say whatever you want. My favorite CODs in terms of content and maps is like Call of Duty Ghosts, BO3, BO4, Cold War. I've really enjoyed it. I've really enjoyed Cold War. I've had an honor. It's been an honor covering it.
Of course, investing in creative talent in our own
Thank you, buddy.
business, strategic M&A, and returning cash to shareholders via share repurchases and dividends. Now, let me turn to our segment results. Activision revenue was $641 million.
Look at that money, man.
Segment revenue was lower year-over-year, as expected in our outlook.
Wow.
This was due to the launch of Tony Hawk in the year-ago quarter and declines in Call of Duty upfront and in-game net bookings against a quarter that benefited from shelter-at-home mandates and the early ramp of Warzone. Year-to-date, net bookings for the Activision segment and the Call of Duty franchise were higher year-over-year, with the franchise now consistently operating at greater scale than before our free-to-play and mobile initiatives. Activision's third quarter operating income was $244 million, and operating margin was 38%. Blizzard revenue of $493 million grew 20% year-over-year, driven by the successful launch of Diablo II Resurrected. Year-to-date, net bookings for Blizzard and for World of Warcraft, its largest franchise, were higher year-over-year. Blizzard's third quarter operating income was $188 million, with an operating margin of 38%.
Love occasion.
King delivered another record quarter. Revenue grew 22%.
So if you look at the Activision side, so they're saying last year's was higher just because of the mandates, the shelter at home, people having to stay home, and I mean, they benefited from that clearly. But there is still data that is higher now than last year. I guess all in all, what's confusing is that they say Modern Warfare 2019 is the best-selling game of 2019, Cold War best-selling game of 2020 and 2021. So I guess you could see there's stuff that's up, there's stuff that's down. I mean, that's the way the business goes. But all in all, who cares? I mean, it's just that's just the way everything is with the gaming industry. There's that.
For the third quarter and year-to-date.
We got Blizzard and King here as well.
To delight and engage players with robust live operations provides a lot of learning that we plan to apply to both Activision and Blizzard, and not just in mobile. Looking across our segment, in-game net bookings were $1.2 billion, roughly flat year-over-year, and approximately $500 million higher than the level of Q3 of 2019. And during the third quarter, mobile net bookings grew over 20% year-over-year, driven by the strength of both Activision and King. Consumer spending and advertising within our mobile content was almost $1 billion in the quarter. And we see substantial room for further growth as we take each of our key franchises to the largest and fastest growing platform.
Candy Crush Round Base?
Our creative and live operations capabilities.
Candy Crush Battle Royale, Candy Crush Outbreak in development?
Now let me turn to our outlook for the fourth quarter and the full year.
Fourth quarter coming up.
With regard to our slate, in addition to ongoing live ops and in-game content across the portfolio,
yeah,
the fourth quarter will
they're expecting a lot because of Vanguard.
Call of Duty Vanguard this Friday, November 5th, followed by the biggest Warzone update yet, Warzone Pacific, on December 2nd. Blizzard launched the new Mercenaries mode in Hearthstone in mid-October, and will release the next Hearthstone expansion later this quarter.
Vindicta, A.
And King continues to support Candy Crush.
Yeah, their mic quality isn't great, but I have it turned up as much as I can.
Our teams have done a phenomenal job building this content, even as many of them continue to work from home. And we can't wait for our players to get their hands on this experience. With that said,
yeah, Call of Duty is definitely their flagship, 100%.
Revenue assumptions for the fourth quarter. And regarding costs, we have decided to further step up investment.
I'm curious about these phone calls we're about to get, you know what I mean?
Given the strong returns we are currently seeing, and into compliance in this regulation. We expect the earnings impact of these investments to be offset by a lower tax rate, and we continue to expect full-year earnings per share to be up strongly year over year and comfortably ahead of the outlook provided at the beginning of the year. Now let me get into the specifics. For quarter four, on a GAAP basis, we expect revenues of $2.02 billion, including net deferrals of $763 million. We expect net bookings of $2.78 billion. We expect GAAP operating margin of 30%, a tax rate of 26%, GAAP and non-GAAP share count of 785 million, and EPS of 54 cents. For quarter four on a non-GAAP basis, we expect a tax rate of 25% and non-GAAP EPS of 62 cents, including net deferrals of 67 cents. This means that on a GAAP basis for 2021, we now expect revenues of $8.66 billion, including the net recognition of deferrals of $10 million.
8.6.
We now expect net bookings of $8.65 billion. We expect GAAP operating margin of 37%, a GAAP tax
sounds like
rate
1984 recording, dude.
GAAP and non-GAAP share count of 784 million, and GAAP EPS of $3.27.
Hundreds of millions of dollars, but they can't get their audio quality. Yeah, they should hit up Elgato for like a Wave 3 microphone or Blue for a Blue Yeti or something, right? They should probably get one of those lined up.
With respect to risk, as you've heard, we're taking action to address stakeholder concerns and the adverse consequences to our business from workplace issues. If we experience further adverse publicity regarding our company and executives, increased competition for talent, higher voluntary turnover, significantly reduced productivity, or other negative consequences relating to these issues, our business likely would be adversely impacted. We're therefore carefully monitoring all aspects of our business for any such impact, and we're taking action to help address them. Now, I'd also like to provide an update on how we are planning for next year specifically. As a starting point, our business continues to operate at much greater scale, and we have clear line of sight to expanding the reach, engagement, and financial performance of our business further in the coming years, as we apply the framework that has worked so well for Call of Duty and Candy Crush to other franchises in our portfolio. At the same time, as Daniel described, we've taken the decision to give the Overwatch and Diablo team the extra time they need to deliver the experiences that their communities deserve, and to set their franchises up for maximum success over a multi-year period. We are therefore currently not planning for material contributions from Overwatch 2 or Diablo 4 in 2022. While this development will push out the financial upgrade.
Thank you, Tyler, for the sub, buddy. Really means a lot.
We firmly believe that this is the right course of action for our people, for the long-term success of these franchises, and for our shareholders. We still have a lot of content in the pipeline for next year for our largest franchises that we can't wait to unveil. And we'll provide more color on that when we provide our full year outlook in early February. In conclusion, we see substantial opportunity for shareholder value creation ahead to unlocking the full potential of our portfolio. This will only be possible because of our people, and we remain focused on ensuring a safe working environment that is essential to enable creativity and professional growth for all employees. Now I'll ask Rob, Mike, and Humam to join Bobby, Daniel, and myself.
Here's the Q&A, chat. Ask your best questions.
We will now begin the question and answer session. To ask a question, you may press star then 1 on your telephone
Where's my
keypad.
year 2 content?
If you are using a
Black Ops
speakerphone,
Cold War.
please pick up your handset before pressing the keys. To withdraw your question, please press star then 2. At this time, we will pause momentarily to assemble the roster.
Imagine a map where Activision calls you, bro. Andres, thank you, buddy. At Dynamite to the Activision store, please.
Question will come from Matthew Thornton of Truist Securities. Please go ahead.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Maybe one just to come back on some of the workplace issues that the team's talked about. Can you talk a little more about just the progress around rectifying some of these issues, how we can think about the milestones and the timeline towards being resolved and being best in class, and how you plan to kind of communicate that progress along the way? Any more color there would be really appreciated. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, thanks, Matt. This is Bobby. I feel very good about the progress, actually. Right now, workplace leadership is my focus. Our opportunities for growth, as we've talked about,
skill-based matchmaking,
been better, but we won't be able to realize all that growth potential without talent. And
somebody call them about skill-based matchmaking.
To retain and attract the talent we need, we obviously have to be recognized as the very best place to work. This means we have to be the most welcoming, inclusive environment. And we've got to have the best industry-leading programs for growth and development. We've got to have the best recruiting capabilities for the diverse talent we need to create the very best games. And we have to have competitive compensation that is aligned with performance. You know, if you think about it, over the last 30 years, we've shown that we can consistently create the very best games, and that has always translated into long-term shareholder returns that are far greater than the S&P 500 and compared to most companies. And we believe that superior shareholder returns will continue to be delivered through our franchise strategies, the operational excellence that we're recognized for, and we also recognize that to achieve the same level of shareholder returns we have historically and to ensure continued excellence in execution, we believe we and all great companies need to deliver workplace excellence. This means some of the things that we've discussed over the last few weeks, but harassment and discrimination-free work environments, recruiting excellence to ensure we have diverse skills, abilities, and talents, and a culture that celebrates and rewards commitment to these principles. I couldn't be more passionate and committed to being the most performance-focused, welcoming, and inclusive company.
Lasco, how you doing, buddy?
What you heard me discuss earlier is just the beginning of the actions that we intend to take to achieve that objective. And of
CEO's
course,
highest Forsaken round? Yeah, I know, right?
So we'll continue to provide regular progress in updates both quarterly to our shareholders as well as annually in our ESG reports. And we'll be monitoring the progress of our business units, our franchise teams, and our functional leaders with respect to workplace initiatives. And that status will also be reported to our employees quarterly. Right now and going forward, communicating with our employees.
He said, Chronicles to confirm, Lee, can you post about Chronicles so I can get some news to post on my channel? Hey, man. We don't support fake news here.
The work that we've done with our employees has resulted in very constructive new initiatives, more that we'll continue to announce over the next few months. But the long answer to your question is I feel good about the progress that we're making. But thanks for the question.
Thanks, Matt. Operator, can we have the next question, please?
Let's see what they
ask.
ask.
The next question comes from Mike Hickey of The Benchmark Company. Please go ahead.
Hey, Bobby and team. Congrats on the quarter. Thanks for taking my questions. Can you give us some more color here on the reason for the slip in Overwatch 2 and Diablo 4? And can you give us a sense of how long we're going to have to wait? Thanks, guys.
Oh, delaying Overwatch and Diablo.
Hi, this is Mike Ibarra. Thanks for the question. I'd like to first recognize Jen O'Neill, who has been an incredible partner here at Blizzard. So we will all miss her greatly. We wish her all the best as we work with her on a plan to make an industry-wide impact through the Wiki grant. I personally want to thank her for her leadership. Since becoming the co-leader of Blizzard 3 months ago and meeting with teams around the company, I have been impressed by their passion for what they are creating and their drive to build a more inclusive culture. Looking at our upcoming releases across all of our teams here at Blizzard, we have a deep bench of veteran development talent, and we have new leadership on both Overwatch 2 and Diablo 4. Both are seasoned Blizzard developers with over
Calling the
30
police.
years experience
What's up, Guitar?
at the company between
Don't dox
them.
me.
The teams have made great progress and passed important milestones recently.
They don't actually answer the questions.
To be fantastic releases. But there's obviously been a change in leadership. We looked at what was left in the final phases of production with fresh eyes, and we saw that allowing the teams more time would enable both great experiences at launch and also help ensure that everything will be in place to engage the communities for many years to come. This extra time will also help us continue significantly increasing the size of our development teams ahead of the launch. Again, to ensure we are following up the releases with substantial content to continue delighting the community. We're not sharing release dates at this time, but I have absolute confidence in these new leaders and their teams to deliver. They care deeply about creating high-quality products and allowing everyone on their teams to bring their best selves to their projects. Thanks for the question.
Their best selves.
Yeah, thanks, Mike. Operator, can we have the next question, please?
The next question comes from Clay Griffin of MoffettNathanson.
I thought she said Kathy Griffin.
Ahead.
I was like, what?
Hey, good afternoon. King was clearly a bright spot this quarter. I'm curious if you could maybe drill down on some of the fundamental drivers that we've seen, particularly from an in-app net bookings growth perspective. I know you've mentioned the frequency of content and seasonal content and whatnot, but would love to hear any color on player demographics or cohort analysis to help us get a sense of some of the trends here. Thanks.
Hey, thanks, Clay, for the question. This is Humam. As you can see from the Q3 results, had a terrific quarter, and Candy achieved its highest in-app revenue quarter since the acquisition. So let me focus in on that in-app performance specifically. There are a number of initiatives that have really been contributing to the success over the recent quarters and will carry us into the future. We've increased, the optimizations that we put in the game. So we think about this as our player journey, and we've continued to improve that player journey with strong live op execution. This benefits across cohorts of players. So we've delivered compelling content and events more frequently across all of our key titles. So to give you an example, in Candy, we've increased that engagement by further developing the content slate into monthly seasonal events that really draw in new and existing players.
I love that occasion. He's like, allowing more time will lead to better launches. Whoever could have said that. Not thousands of fans clamming for a COD delay. I wonder when the first year will be when we get an actual COD delay. I don't know if we'll live to see the day, but I think the day that happens, it'll be really interesting to see how they reallocate their time, have like maybe the two previous CODs that had come out release bonus content for that gap year, and then that gives developers more time to polish the next year's game. I mean, I think that would be interesting to see one day. I would certainly want to see that at least once in my lifetime.
Candy, but across other games too. So our second biggest franchise, for example, Farm Heroes, over the past few quarters, we've been delivering this content cadence and
Damon, oh my God. Or Damien PSN, what's up, man?
And we've seen the results from that as well. Our in-app growth in Farm Heroes has been up 20% year to date as a result. With that, we've continued to reinvest into the network and in our brands as well. So we've seen that our payer numbers have grown double-digit percentage year on year versus the year-ago quarter. And this is, again, down to the strong execution that we have in our teams around user acquisition. When you combine with the features and events that are happening in the game, really an amplification of all these great trends that we're seeing. So that's also allowed us to maximize our success in more marketing investment and continuing to broaden our player base. So overall, I feel like we've demonstrated that ability to grow both revenue and operating income at the same time. We feel there's still quite a bit of runway ahead of us.
Going good, Alex. How about you, man? How about you, buddy?
Thank you for the question. This is Daniel. First, I just a shout out to Humam and the King team for what they've achieved. It really has just been an exceptional performance and journey.
Yeah, King overtook
just
Activision
from
and
an
Blizzard.
Activision Blizzard King perspective, just there are a lot of learnings
he just tweeted
that,
out. Let me see.
that we really want to apply across both
crazy.
Activision and Blizzard, and it's not just in mobile from the King team's operations. For instance, King's live operation capabilities, their deeply analytical approach to creating amazing experiences that truly engage the players, and the disciplined, data-driven approach to marketing is just very applicable across the rest of the business. So we're already making sure that these performance marketing learnings are being applied to our work on Call of Duty Mobile and to Diablo Immortal and other mobile.
Limit said you should call them the #Dynamite call. Yeah, I would like to one day. I've tried it a few times in previous phone calls, but it's hard to actually get selected on the list to then ask a question. I guess they prioritize like actual corporations and other big businesses to ask these questions. Oh, Alex, thank you, buddy. He said congrats on the partnership with Facebook Gaming. Really appreciate that. You have another video dropping there tonight. Hopefully, you guys tune into that. It really means a lot, man. Thank you guys for all the support on that. I'll put the Nightbot command in chat if anybody wants to go ahead and follow me on there. It's free.
Alexia Quadrani of JP Morgan. Please
JP
go
Morgan.
ahead.
Everybody knows JP Morgan.
Thank you. My question is really about the Call of Duty. Can you discuss
Call of Duty
at sort of a high level how Activision will integrate Vanguard into Warzone, which now includes content from both Modern Warfare and Black Ops Cold War? And then can you remind us, how the launch of Season 1 of Black Ops in mid-December last year impacted the pacing of unit sales relative to prior years?
Oh, that's two questions there.
Hey, Alexia, it's Rob. I'll take this question. Thanks. So to start, we're obviously excited about both the launch of Vanguard this week and also Warzone's new Pacific map called Caldera, which is releasing early in December. The new map represents really the first built from the ground up new experience for Warzone since the launch of Warzone basically in March of 2020. So we think the community is going to be really excited to get in and play that and experience the entire Vanguard universe. Coming with that, of course, are a lot of things, some of which were mentioned. I'll just briefly cover them. One of which was Warzone shares the same tech as Vanguard. And so what does that mean? This is the same tech that debuted with Modern Warfare. And so from a player perspective, you can get a lot more seamless weapon and play balance experience across both experiences. And what's become a staple for us now is really a game that's fully optimized for cross-play, cross-progression, and cross-gen support. We've seen that the last couple of years, and that carries forward. And I think importantly for our community, we're also going to be launching Ricochet. It's our new anti-cheat system across Vanguard and Warzone so that our players can have the best possible experience as we move forward here in the future. Now, specifically as to the integration, we're going to continue to have the shared progression across Vanguard and Warzone, just like we had against Modern Warfare and Black Ops Cold War previously. So all the great weapons, operators, unlocks, and everything that you get on the Vanguard Premium experience will also be usable in Warzone. So how the two work together is absolutely intact and better than ever. Battle Pass and storefront and store content, of course, will also go back and forth for players to use and have fun with. Now, there is a new component for us here, and the new Warzone experience is going to offer some new dedicated playlists that are very specific to the Vanguard theme that we think is going to be really fun for the community. And, of course, to honor the players' investment, we'll also have unique playlists that are more of a combined arms battle royale experience, where you can choose loadouts across Modern Warfare, Black Ops, or Vanguard. So I think that'll be really fun for the community to choose how they want to experience the new map and the new content. And also, I think what's become a staple for us as we move forward, our players can expect a ton of free post-launch content and updates from Vanguard and from Warzone to keep them having fun for the long haul. So both games are really just going to get bigger and better as they evolve over time for the community. Now, going back to your question on the impact of Black Ops last December, so we certainly saw an uptick last December, and I believe we talked about that in previous earnings call. And similarly, we expect another uptick this fourth quarter for our premium sales as we go through that cycle, launch the new map, and see how the community engages more broadly, both within Warzone and within our premium experience. Thank you, Alexia, for the question.
Thanks, Alexia. Operator, can we have the next question, please?
The next question comes from Kunal Malde of Atlantic Equities. Please go ahead.
Equity. Let's
Hi,
see.
thanks. I was just wondering if you could talk about the performance of Diablo 2 Resurrected and what it sort of informs you about the opportunity for the Diablo franchise overall.
Diablo.
Hey, Kunal, thanks for the question. This is Mike again. The reception of Diablo 2 Resurrected has been great. As you heard Daniel mention, first week sales were the highest recorded for a remaster from Activision Blizzard as a whole.
Wow.
This, alongside the continued
Remastered
engagement
sales
with Diablo 3, really is confirmation that our plan for the Diablo franchise as a whole is the right one. There's a huge appetite from our player community for more content from this dark, gothic universe, and it's our job to exceed player expectations. Diablo 2 Resurrected is an early step towards meeting this demand. We have ignited nostalgia in players who experienced the original way back in 2000, as well as brought all new players into the fold. Diablo Immortal, being in its next stage of testing, is incredibly exciting and will give players another window into the world of Sanctuary. They'll be able to take part in an all-new narrative in a persistent, free-to-play...
You should call and say your company's dkdynamite Inc. Well, you know what? Speaking of that, I am an LLC now, so I am incorporated, which is funny. So maybe next investors call, I will try my best to call in and see if I get lucky. It's definitely hard to get a hold of them, and ask a question. But I think one day if I got the chance to get on a Q&A with them, what do you think I should ask them about? What do you think is a really important question that needs to be asked, which usually isn't asked? Let me know. Somebody asked about OnStar. It drops tonight at like 11 o'clock Central for Xbox and PC.
Living and breathing with broad content updates over time to continue to delight our players. Seeing the first step of this plan executed with the release of Diablo 2 Resurrected off to such a strong start
Diablo 2
is invigorating to the teams across Blizzard, and we can't wait to get more into the hands of our players. Thanks for the question.
Thanks, Kunal. Operator, can we have the next question, please?
The next question comes from Mario Lu of Barclays.
Mario.
Please go ahead.
Great. I have a follow-up on King with respect to IDFA. So you reported a very strong quarter despite being the first full quarter of the IDFA changes on iOS. So just curious if there was anything to call out in terms of its impact that you saw to Candy Crush or your other mobile titles.
Candy Crush. Somebody asked in chat, what do you think of the theory that you are also Lego Unlocked? Damn, I mean, if I was Lego Unlocked, that's a lot of content I'm posting. I'm posting multiple vids on his end, multiple vids and streams on my end. I mean, damn, when do I sleep? I must be a robot then. But Lego Unlocked, cool dude, man. We've talked quite a bit over the past couple of weeks, man. Really nice guy. We'll hopefully be collaborating on something this year. I'll get him on the podcast at some point as well. Whenever we're kind of a little bit more calm with our Vanguard coverage, because it's about to get crazy this week. I definitely want to get him on and we'll have a nice discussion. But yeah, really, really nice dude. He's one of the few channels I know that covered Cold War with as much passion as I did. And I'm not tooting my own horn here, but he actually played the game and covered the game immensely. So I really respect that about him. I think Cold War deserved that. And I'm glad that I was able to provide it for you guys. And I'm happy that someone like him also exists to provide more of a gameplay side of the coverage as well. Really cool to see.
So much of our UA is aimed at win-back. So over 1 billion people, we believe, have downloaded Candy in the past. And so this gives us also a very great brand advantage. Now, on the advertising side of the house, we've seen 60% year-on-year growth, which points to our ongoing strength. We believe we have a very differentiated product there. It's premium positioned with advertisers, and we're still early in building our ad business. So we continue to focus on ramping up these relationships with demand partners, with continued positive momentum for both new demand partners and our existing ones. So overall, we've seen a lot of opportunity in both volume and pricing in the ad business as well. Thanks for the question.
Operator, can we have the next question, please?
The next question comes from Matthew Cost of Morgan Stanley. Please go ahead.
Hi, thanks for taking the question. I was wondering how you're thinking about the durability of Call of Duty from here, as well as the kind of innovation and content pipeline we should expect over time going forward.
Content, baby. Content. Let's get it.
Hey, Matt, it's Rob. Look, on your question, I guess I'll start with just saying, in short, I don't think we've never felt better about the future of the Call of Duty ecosystem as we look forward. To date, the strategies that we've employed, which include, of course, our expansion into free-to-play with Warzone and Call of Duty Mobile, our continued push to deliver incredible new premium experiences, and how the overall ecosystem is really connected and works together, is actually just the beginning of what our plans entail long term. Looking ahead, we see significant opportunities across gameplay expansion, platform expansion, and geographic expansion to take this ecosystem to an entirely new level for our players around the world. I'd say put another way, we feel there's more opportunity in front of the franchise than at any point in our history. And that's a pretty incredible thing to be able to say, given the success that we've seen to date. Of course, the next phase begins in the coming days and weeks with Vanguard and the new map, Caldera and Warzone. But really, there's so much more as we look ahead in the future, both near and long term. Driving this ambition for us, of course, is our talented development teams and the resources we have there, which we're committed to greatly expanding, both at our existing studios, but also geographically to find new talent around the globe. So we're expanding in locations like Austin, Guildford, Krakow, Melbourne, Mexico City, and Toronto to augment our teams. And you may already know we recently acquired Digital Legends in Barcelona. They joined our mobile development roster.
Barcelona.
New internal team, Solid State, as well as the mobile teams at Beanox and Shanghai. We're all coming together on an unannounced project in the Call of Duty universe that's very exciting.
Oh, an unannounced project.
Overall, we feel really good about our plans, our outlook, our team, and our gameplay innovation as we look out over the next few years and beyond. Thank you.
Unannounced project in the Call of Duty universe. What could that be, chat?
Operator, can I have the next question, please?
Whoa.
The next question comes from Andrew Ukowitz of Jefferies. Please go ahead.
Charlie's about to tweet about that, I'm sure.
You.
Let's see.
Guys, your stock's at, I think, a 5-year low as far as valuation goes. You're sitting on a
all-time
low
low for Activision stocks.
You say that you couldn't be more excited about the pipeline. Why not do a stock buyback at this point? Or could you...
Warzone Mobile probably. Yeah.
And kind of M&A at this point? Thanks.
Hey, Andrew, this is Armin. Thanks for your question. On your question on capital allocation, as you know, we do have a strong track record of being balanced. We allocate capital.
Standalone zombies? I don't know, man. Maybe.
All the areas that you mentioned.
Never say never.
In our business, returning capital to shareholders via buybacks and dividends.
Interesting.
As well as strategic M&A. Starting with investing in our own business, you've heard today we continue to have a very, very strong pipeline. So investing in our business and in our development teams remains our key priority. And as Daniel mentioned, we'll continue to look to accelerate organic hiring in this area with acqui-hiring. Just was announced.
Excellent. I'm sure they're trolling, man.
Last week.
I think it's one of the funniest things when I do like a non-zombie stream and people are like talking about zombies in chat. I'm just like, wait. I'm like, where are you guys getting this from? That's always funny, man. I love the jokes in chat.
Potential for global scale. And for strong management teams with a track record of profitability, and of course an attractive valuation that hits our return threshold. Now, as you know, we have been very disciplined and patient in this area, but the longer term opportunity for M&A means that we place significant option value on having a strong and flexible balance sheet. Now, at the same time, with respect to buybacks, to come to the core of your question, we do have a $4 billion authorization, and while you haven't seen us do anything in a long time here, we do evaluate our position with respect to buybacks frequently. Now, obviously, the increasing cash generation from the company gives us more and more flexibility over time. But bear in mind, though, that we don't announce when we're buying back stock ahead of time. And sometimes there may be restrictions on our ability to commence a buyback. So, in summary, expect us to continue to be balanced and disciplined in how we allocate capital, always with a view to long-term shareholder value creation. Thank you for your question.
Thanks, Andrew. Operator, can we have one last question, please?
One more question,
Our next question comes from Mike Nigg of Goldman Sachs. Please go ahead.
Hey, good afternoon. Thank you very much for the question. You touched upon the increased competition for developer talent and the higher voluntary turnover. I was just wondering if you could talk a little bit in more detail about Activision Blizzard's efforts to attract and retain talent, whether that's moving more towards a distributed workforce or being more aggressive in hiring. Thanks.
Great. Thanks for the question. And this is Daniel. I guess I'll take the last question. This is obviously something extraordinarily important.
They dodged the question, bro.
We're putting a tremendous amount of effort into.
Wow.
And we've made some very substantial progress in this area, particularly over the last year. Retaining and attracting our top talent, as Bobby has mentioned, is critical to us being able to meet the needs of our players, of our communities, and of our growing our business. And there's really nothing more important to the company than our talent. And it really starts with making sure that our existing teams have the best possible working environment. It's an imperative. And it's also setting a setting that fosters creative excellence and, importantly, fantastic career opportunities where people are willing to invest their time and their careers at our company. You've heard from us today some of the measures that we're taking to ensure that, and we will continue to make significant progress. Now, when it comes to hiring, we're really fortunate that many individuals want to work on our franchises, for which they have just a tremendous affinity. They've played it for a very long time, oftentimes since they were little. And we can offer that with some of the biggest franchises in the world. We also have the financial scale that enables us to compete for that talent. But I know that's not enough, and especially with many people's attitudes to where and how they want to work changing during the pandemic, we have to keep that in mind. And we're giving our teams the flexibility they need, and we have also been investing in studios, as Rob mentioned, in many locations that are new for us, including Krakow, Melbourne.
That's a really good question. I just saw. If you ever got an investor's call, I think the question is that, or the question you should ask is, will they ever make a futuristic COD again? Or if they ever make a multiplayer map to fight on a zombie map like Kino Origins? I think I know what you're saying. Yeah, I like those questions a lot. I do like those questions.
And for Candy Crush. And we've already started to pursue that same approach for Blizzard and Blizzard's franchises. And Mike is completely on board.
Yeah, they have
with
a lot of damage control to do, man. To really rebuild their company and their stocks and all that. I mean, considering the lawsuit, they have a lot of fixing up to do. It's crazy.
So thank you for the question.
Well, thank you everybody for your questions and your interest.
I think it's the end of the call. Let's see. Might be the end of the call.
We hope we see you all later this week in the game during the Call of Duty launch. Thank you very much again.
The conference is now concluded. Thank you for attending today's presentation, and you may now disconnect.
Well, there's Q3 earnings of Activision Blizzard, and ironically, or unironically, I should say, King actually outperformed Blizzard and Activision with their mobile sales. I like that. I like that a lot. Let's take a look quickly at one last thing. So, okay, let's disconnect from this call here. Bingo, bingo, bingo. I think my controller died. Let's see. So once again, chat, tonight is an install for Black Ops Cold War, a new title update. What's weird about this title update, like I said, for those confused, is that the content that they mentioned in the tweet today on Treyarch's Twitter, that content's already in the files. So I'm like, what is this title update going to be? Besides Onslaught, because that's for Xbox and PC, not for PlayStation. I know about the calling cards, Rampage Looser update. Something big might be in here. I wouldn't put it past them if they maybe add new remastered maps, weapons, bundles, but they keep it in the game's files for months, like Modern Warfare, where there's stuff just sitting there complete that we don't see released for a while, even when Vanguard's already out. I wouldn't put it past them to do that. That really wouldn't shock me at all. Any other tweets from Charlie Intel we need to check out? Let's see. Let's double check. Very interesting. I gotta cop a shirt. I need a new shirt for the podcast. Let me see. Let me double check this. I need a new Who Are These People shirt. My other one's getting faded. Let's see. Anything else in chat needs to catch up on? There's a special division for ZC2. Yeah, that's like cope to the ultimate degree, my guy. Cope to the ultimate degree. Jesus Christ. Okay, that went through. Anonymous, bought a classic tea. Okay, perfect. That went through. Okay. Thank you, Teespring. Drip feed content. Wait, what? Let's see. All right. See what's going on. Or ZC2 t-shirt, I will buy it. Hey, man, appreciate that, buddy. Appreciate that. Let's see what else we got. 12v12 still in. What's in quick play? They put Scream TDM still there. Yeah, so again, chat, take advantage of these haunting updates while you guys can. Seriously. They're all about to go away tonight. Hammer Sickles out. Yeah, we talked about that already. We got some gameplay with it earlier. Got a couple of nice kills with it. Oh, good question. Video with the details for the Vanguard giveaway. So right now, my sponsored integration, the ad itself is under review by the people that are running the giveaway. Once that gets approved, I will insert it in a video probably this week. No later than like Friday or something. They have switched the rules a bit. We'll be giving away 5 copies of Vanguard, not 10. Just something to happen on their end. But yeah, 5 copies of Vanguard. So definitely be on the lookout for that. It'll be a very simple giveaway. It's a really cool app they came up with, which I'm not going to say much about now. I'll wait for that to be revealed in the video this week. So it's a really cool app they come up with, and by downloading the app, you're able to sign up for the Vanguard giveaway. 100% legit, 100% approved by the FCC. So it's a really cool giveaway. I'm really honored to be able to do that for you guys that won't be buying Vanguard yourselves. So yeah, that's the end of that phone call there. Any other news? Let's see if any other news is out. I think that's pretty much it for news today. But once again, I have a big video dropping tonight, rounding up the new Black Ops Cold War update, talking about the new title announcement, or the new title patch, I should say. Are there stackable kill streaks in Vanguard? I mean, we haven't played the game yet, so I don't know how anybody would know, unless you've watched spicy gameplay that's on the internet. Hey, Skizzle, what's up, buddy? How you doing, man? How you doing, bro? Appreciate you popping in real quick. Yeah, what an interesting phone call. A lot of damage control, a lot of them just addressing the recent lawsuit, or they dodged the question about their low stock. Pretty interesting, man. But we have an unannounced Call of Duty project. I just tweeted about it. I'm curious. That's probably Warzone on mobile. That was rumored a while ago. Somebody said Modern Warfare 2. No, that's not it. I don't think it was a mainstream COD. I'm pretty sure it's the new mobile COD. Somebody just tweeted me about that. Let me see. Yeah, that's yeah, Zero tweeted about Modern Warfare 2. No, I think they meant something else. I think they meant a mobile game. Let's see. The guy who asked them about 5-year low stocks. Yeah, that was wild, man. I want to try calling one day. I want to see if I can get a question. That'd be fun. I tried a few times in the past. Didn't get lucky enough. I don't know if you have to call like really in advance, or I don't know how we get lucky with that. Oh, what is that music playing? What is that music playing? Oh my god. Oh, thank God it's not copyrighted. The elevator music from their investors call. Yeah, chat, you can watch these again anytime on their website. You go to Activision Blizzard presentations, you'll be able to find it for free. Definitely wild, man. Let me see. Standalone zombie, please. Hey, that might happen in the future. We'll see, though. We will have to wait and see. I'll play one more match of Face Off. Let's see how we can do with the sickle again. It's fun. I like using the hammer and sickle. I gotta rock this hat, though. Let me rock this hat real quick. Hold up. Since we have the hammer and sickle now in game, we gotta rock our let's see. Rock our forgotten Cold War logo. Oh, game show should be fun. Game show kill confirmed with the hammer and sickle. Let's do it. Let's rock our Cold War icon in chat. Yeah, I would have loved for them to really use this logo like they used the Black Ops 4 logo, Black Ops 3, but I guess because of the Soviet references in there, they didn't want to market that to their investors and whatnot. Yeah, unannounced entry, didn't they? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's COD. It's probably like Warzone on mobile or something simple like that. That's what I'm sure it'll be. But yeah, chat, tonight could be one of the final Black Ops Cold War updates as we know it. Maybe one of the final title updates to the game that we'll ever get. So there could be a Season 6 Reloaded. We have Gaming Scoopers still claiming that one's going to happen this Thursday, which is strange. I don't know. I don't know if they're going to do that, but hey, we'll see. I'll be covering Cold War whenever we get updates, but for now we're transitioning fully into Vanguard with the launch in just a few days' time. The embargo lifts, I think it's what they say, Thursday morning? Let me fix all my cameras out of place. Let's fix that. Let me fix that. I'm probably gonna get killed doing this. Hold up. Copy. Let me fix that real quick. 1 second, chat. Let's fix that. Play one more match real quick, and then I'll go work on this video. I just got sniped while I was AFK. Somebody got a free kill. Somebody got a free kill. All right, here we go. Let me fix that a little bit. All right, bless. Donnie Darko, or Frank the Rabbit, I should say, was running up. Oh! Nice sniper. Woo! This is a good map for Hammer Sickle, I think. Oh! No, he snipes me, and he snipes me. That guy was waiting for me. That guy was waiting for me. Oh, these are a lot of fun, chat. Really recommend unlocking these for free or buying the bundle, whichever one you guys can. Quick Tomahawk. Oh, these are fun. Frank the Rabbit. Ooh. Oh, shit. There's a lot of guys here. Right here. Oh! And I missed. Something with the hammer and sickle, man. I don't know if it's my timing or the lag. I don't know what it was. Machete beat that somehow. I don't know. Oh, I didn't make that tomahawk. A couple more kills with this thing. I love it. I love it. What else we got here? Nothing, nothing. Oh. No way he's a professional sniper. Look at this guy, dude. Diamond M82. That guy loves his sniper. Good luck in Vanguard, buddy. Here goes Frank the Rabbit. Oh, zombie ate this guy up. I'm dead. I can't see. I can't see. What does it mean, destroy the ether orb and outbreak? Wait, where are you hearing that? I'm confused. Level 5 with a hammer already? Oh, wow. People that use a 74, I really question their morals in life. Why do you still use that? 1,000 other weapons you can use. Nice dark ether melee weapon, buddy. Quick tomahawk. Bingo, bingo. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Got his ass. Oh! 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 So, Semtex got him. Woo! I'm on a quick 5. Guy has marshals. Oh, somebody inside. Wow, 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 wow. There's so many people there. A lot of enemies there. Got a quick 5 kill streak. I just got tomahawked. I want to see this. Oh, bank shot. Bank shot. We'll take it. Oh, I'm dead. The guy's just spamming. Oh! Oh, I would have went in more. I would have went in more. Somebody beat me across the map. Oh, these are a lot of fun, chat. Seriously. Might be my favorite melee weapon in the game right now. Might just be. Someone's sniping right here. I missed. I couldn't even do shit. I couldn't see him. Oh. Quick tomahawk. I didn't even see what the challenge was to unlock it legit. Let me see. I gotta look at that real quick. Oh! Oh! We're going off. I don't know why I have a SAM turret, but... Oh! Woo! I couldn't hit that guy. I could not hit that Frank. Oh, man, we got some good kills there. That was fun. Wow, dude, that was great. Let's see what the challenge is to even do it. To unlock it without buying the bundle. Damn, hammer's fun, dude. I love using this thing. Super addicting to use, man. Seriously. Super addicting. Xbox, PlayStation? No shot, buddy. But it's subjective. I get it. Everybody has their opinion. Everybody has their opinion. I gotta hit level 200, man, soon. We unlocked some type of challenge there. Nice. Let's see. How do you unlock this thing? Oh, U-Bahn? We could try it. We'll try U-Bahn. Why not? Let's see. To unlock it legit. Get a melee kill and a tomahawk or throwing knife kill in the same life in 15 different completed matches. Oh, that's not even that bad. That's not even that bad. Knife one person, get a tomahawk kill. End game. I like how it says or throwing knife, so you can do it in Warzone, obviously. I don't know what the zombie one is, though. We'll check the zombie one in a second. I have no idea what the zombie one will be. Yeah, Axel, you're in my game. Perfect, man. PC Master Race. I feel you, man. I feel you. Especially considering there's no PlayStation exclusive mode in Vanguard. It's like, is there a reason to buy a PlayStation just for COD now? Not really. I mean, unless you wanted survival in Modern Warfare, Onslaught, and Cold War, then yeah, you might have bought a PlayStation. But crazy, man. What's up, Sam? I am currently on Discord. Just chilling. Wrap up my stream, so I gotta work on some videos. Let's see. How did I miss Sam's comment? Wait. Sam's comment? Who? Whose comment did I miss?
We must push back the Iron Curtain. Get in the fight.
Let me see. Which Sam's comment did I miss? I gotta check it out. Woo! Somebody right here. Oh yeah, I'm stunned. That didn't hit me. That's gonna hit me. I'm dead. Nothing I can do. Dutch. What happened? Investors call? Not much, man. Not much. They didn't say anything special, man. They were just talking a lot about the lawsuit. They dodged the question about their stock being low. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Oh wow. That's using DMR in fucking November 2021. Who is? I don't see a Sam in my chat. You talking about Scorpio? I read Scorpiola's comment. I thought you meant, I have a member, I think this is Sam Maxis. I thought you meant that, Sam. Yeah, buddy Sam, if you're still here, I am in Discord.
Hey.
Yo, what up, man?
Not much. How's it going?
Pretty good, man. Just rocking this hammer and sickle real quick. Oh, my ear. Ooh, audio's really loud. Let me fix Discord. Okay, I think we're good. How you been, man? Feeling all good?
Yeah, not too bad. I'm just talking about.
Nintendo stays winning? Yo. Yeah, that investors call was something, man. They mentioned a unannounced COD project. I mean, it's probably Warzone Mobile. More than likely.
Warzone Mobile. I think everyone is asking.
Yes. Oh, I'm dead. This guy's running circles around me. You fucking asshole. Holy shit.
I really hope they crossplay.
Crossplay on Warzone Mobile?
You think they will?
Yeah. Doesn't that require a bit of an overhaul though on the console side of things with Warzone? I mean, to be able to play with mobile people.
Yeah, it's completely be a bit of a disadvantage.
Yeah.
They just Fortnite to it.
I don't know. Was Fortnite Mobile always crossplay right when the game came out? I'm leaving this match.
Yeah, it's like by default. By default, you get put up against mobile people.
And that was from the beginning of like the very first season of Fortnite.
Yeah, since mobile came out, and it just
that's really weird.
If you want to go and play against other people, you can join a friend and do that, but you're obviously going to get fucked.
Yeah. I'm like, wow, I'm sure they're going down that route.
Yeah,
I'm sure they're going down that route.
If they get working on mobile as well, they'll probably put that version on Switch as well.
I was gonna say COD hasn't been on Nintendo in how long, right? We had Wii U, Black Ops 2, Ghost, and that was really it after that, right? We didn't even get DLC maps for those games either. Switch never got nothing.
I also can't believe they confirmed. I can't believe they confirmed no round based.
Yeah, I'm surprised they mentioned that too. I was like, somebody in that GameSpot interview asked about Grief. I thought that was pretty funny. And they said that it's like they're not going to confirm or deny it. I'm like, yeah, Grief has been something that was said to have been done for BO4 by Blundell himself, and it just never dropped it.
That sounds like we're not working on it, but we're not saying we're definitely not.
Yeah, so you can keep playing. Yeah, that's yeah. We're not far off from the PSN Discord integration. That's also really cool. Hells, I forgot about that. They confirmed that a few months ago, and I'm like, wow, they actually did it. PlayStation Discord app coming. Do we play Vanguard Wednesday or Thursday? So I think if you have a New Zealand copy, you can play tomorrow morning, but you can't actually post content on it until Thursday morning. The game launches globally Friday. like midnight. So it depends on what copy you got. I think for most people it'll be like midnight Friday. Discord on PSN, yeah, that's confirmed. You look up an article about it. That's confirmed already. That's happening.
Taking A. Alpha lockdown. Capture the objective.
Hammer sickle, baby.
Pulling ahead.
Oh my God, what's going on in Amsterdam, chat? Woo! I'm on a 4. Oh, 5? Holy shit, chat, what was that? What was that? Oh my God, I'm on a 7. Chat, what did I just do to these people? I'm out of there, I'm out of there. Oh, move! I'm out of that area, dude. What did I just do to these people?
Securing Bravo.
See if anybody peeks. Oh, another tomahawk. Oh, I'm out of there, bro. Somebody's back here. Shit. Somebody right there. I'm so dead. Oh, and I get tomahawked by who? What? Oh, he got my foot. Nice, dude. What a cheeky little streak there, chat, with the hammer. I love it. I love it. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Matt's using an OTS. Ripperoni. Getting some good clips, chat, for my my vid later. Why not? And I get knifed in from behind? What? Oh, someone was chasing me and missed every single swipe. That guy's pissed. Oh, whatever. Look at this guy. Oh. Did I get shot by marshals? What the hell just happened? I have no idea where that explosion came from. You can have the hammer sickle unlocked in no time? I know, right? the regular version. Oh, and I missed that should not have missed. That's ridiculous. That should not have missed. That's crazy. Yeah, I think the face-off maps are your go-to, chat, if you want to have fun with these. Oh, someone put gas right in front of me? Nice. I got shot in the back. They just spawned behind me, didn't they? Yep. Now I spawned behind them. He's gonna get me. He's gonna get me. The whole team is in one doorway. Oh, man. Oh. I'm dead. I can't move. We started off the game perfectly. Now these guys are all of a sudden beaming. Let's see. Oh, another tomahawk. Oh. There's a field mic here. Break that. What the hell is that guy using? An EM2, and then he just... Wow. Weird people, dude. Wow. Oh. That didn't hit him? Let me see how close I am. Look at this guy. Oh, that swipe just missed him. I spawned into... Three Stooges? Yeah, it literally was Three Stooges, man. Out of his ass. Oh! I'm dead. I'm dead. Why are you coming in here? What? Look at this guy. This guy's playing Outbreak over here. Legion boss fight. AM60 dual wield. Do a finisher. I don't have it equipped, unfortunately. Next game I'll do it. Next game I'll do it. That's a good point. I forgot to equip that. Oh. I could just get one tap by a... What the... I can't heal. There we go. Heal. These guys are sweats, man. Oh! Oh! And I get killed. Was he there the whole time? Oh, he was sitting there. I didn't even see him. Wow. Oh, wow. Yep. Good tomahawks, though. Good tomahawks. We'll take them. Oh. M63, bro. People play really weird in face-off. I don't play much face-off, but now I'm seeing why people... now I'm seeing how people play this. It's pretty funny. There's gas there, yeah. Go on, tac mask on. The sniper out. Get him out the way. Oh! Oh, I would have hit that guy. I totally would have hit this guy. Look at this. Oh, he gets the luckiest hip fire. Dark Ether Bullfrog as well. I guess they really went for overkill that time. I just spawned. I got stuck. The Semtex. Yeah, I'll put the finisher move on. I know somebody wants to see that. Wow, that just couldn't hit him. That just couldn't hit him. I gave that guy a free kill. This game started perfect. I'll still grab the footage of it though. That was fun. Absolutely abysmal enemy team. Yeah, my team's garbage too. They don't know what's going on. Yeah, my team had no idea how to play this map. Missed quite a few comments here. Holy shit. I want Dogs from the Cold War. Yeah, I would have loved to see that in season 6. One final kill streak. I don't know why they didn't do it. Super weird. Does it have a speed boost? Boost up? Nope, nothing like that. Nothing. What's special about it aside from supporting your love for communism? I'm not supporting communism. It's fun to use. That's it. But definitely no Spood Beast. Spood Beast? I can't speak at all. Speed boost like the Psy. Are they better than the E-Tool for the... I don't know, man. I don't know if they're better than the E-Tool or the Psy. That's worth a good comparison. If I switch my Xbox location to New Zealand, can I play Vanguard on Wednesday? I don't know, because I don't have Xbox, so I can't confirm that for you. PlayStation doesn't work that way. You have to make a whole new account just under that region. That might work for Xbox, though. PC? I don't know about PC either. I'm a PlayStation guy. I have no idea. I'll play Showroom. Why not? Let me put that finisher move on, though. Yeah, I'll do one more match and I'll end stream, so I gotta work on some videos. I could do this all day, though. Seriously, this is a really... Oh, did I just crash my game? I clicked preview on this finishing move. Oh, it worked. That's a really cool finisher. I thought I crashed my game for a second. All right, I equipped it. Let's hop in there and see. Jacklands were so fun. Changed the whole way to play zombies. Yeah, I mean, I would have loved to see that stay, to be honest. I really love that. Maybe just keep it in private games, but you could probably XP farm the hell out of that. Half the feed and face off as melee kills. Yeah, it's pretty funny.
Face off's like my favorite of the normal modes, I think.
Definitely a bit different from regular 6v6.
I basically only play gun game at the moment.
Why not? Fuck it.
Kill confirmed. Best of luck, soldier.
Let's see, chat. I don't think I played face off on this map. I don't know who's already beaming it. Oh, QBZ, nice. Launch weapon.
Imagine using a launch weapon.
Yeah, imagine using some base game weapons in season 6. Oh wow. QBZ's apparently the best guy in the game now, chat? What's up with that? Harriet Tubman. I know she had a QBZ back then. Damn. Oh. Yeah, someone was trying to use melee weapons. We have people out there sweating with the QBZ. Like, dude, play something else, man. Oh, professional sniper join. Yeah, I played Showroom only on gunfight, never on face-off. Woo! Oh! Oh, my lord. Here he comes. I'm chilling for a sec. Oh my Christ. Oh my Christ. Look at this guy. Turns around for the free kill. Oh, wow. I'm done. Whoa. Whoa, there was somebody right in front of me. I didn't even see him. Oh, I'm dead. Yep. Shooting bodies now, too. This is a pretty hectic map, though, for face-off. Unless the enemies are just sweaty as hell. I'm getting into these massively sweaty lobbies. Maybe I shouldn't cross-play off, actually. Get off these keyboard and mouse lobbies with people sniping. We're just trying to have some fun. Yeah, we just get a melee weapon only game mode in this game. We'd love to see that. Kind of need that at this point. With all these sweats. I'm dead. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely out of that shit. That's our crossplay off. That is ridiculous. I think it's the keyboard and mouse, PC players hopping out of that shit. That was terrible. Would you say the hammer's a fun? Oh, it's definitely a lot of fun. I could do this all day, honestly, seriously. If I started my stream earlier, which I was planning on doing, but Treyarch's tweet really threw me off today because they said that the update with the hammer and sickle goes live at 9 p.m. Pacific tonight. That just wasn't true. It went live at the usual 12 o'clock slot, which I was hoping they were gonna do, but yeah, super weird. I would have went live earlier, rocking this thing, but it's all right. Their tweet was worded a bit weird. I believe a gunfight mode like that or something. Yeah, didn't they have they had some melee weapon mode? Not the double agent one. There was something else at one point. I don't know where it went, but it wasn't the game at one point. I turned off crossplay. I'll see how lobby goes without crossplay. Oh, the zombie. Let's look at the zombie challenge. You're right. I totally forgot. I don't know what it is in zombies. It is. Let's see. It's going to be. Using a primary melee weapon, destroy the Ether Orb and Outbreak 12 times. The Ether Orb and Outbreak. What the hell is the Ether Orb? Is it like the side quest where you get the free points and kill streaks from? I swear that's really RNG based because that doesn't always spawn in your regions, does it?
No.
That's really strange.
That's quite a lot to do, though.
12 times. Wait, does that... you move it 3 times per quest. Does that count or does that have to be just... once per region, so you have to go to 12 regions to unlock that. That's kind of difficult. That's actually pretty difficult. The point orbs, yeah, that's what I thought. I'm like, the only orb I can think of is the point one. There is no other orb in Outbreak. The Loop Pinata, yes, I love the name of that. The Loop Pinata, love it, man. That's a really strange challenge. That's a really strange challenge. Yeah, there's one per region. I was thinking though, because you move it 3 times during the quest itself. I was thinking that would count as like 3 completions, but no, moving it. Just it doesn't do anything. You have to just get rid of it once per region. That's hilarious, man. That's hilarious. And don't forget, you got 4 days left for Rambo, and I'm not sure how long for Donnie Darko and Scream. I do have both of those, but anybody out there buy the $40 Tagger Big Joke Ultimate? That's insane, man. It's a lot of money. If you just move it, you would cheese it in Outbreak Quest 2. That is true, because you do get that orb in Outbreak Operation Excision. That's funny. Once again, chat, fun stream the other day. We did a full Cold War Quest marathon while wearing a Michael Myers mask, and my face was absolutely itchy afterwards. Massive rash from the latex on the mask. Let's see. Yeah, we got a little crossplay off game show. Why not? Oh no, ICBM won the vote. That's crazy. Didn't expect that. Put on the double weapon XP. Why not? Why not? Does this come with a calling card? I didn't even see. It did. That's a pretty cool. I like that emblem and calling card though. It's really nice. That's really nice. Your ex got it for you? The Tagger Big Joke? Hey, well, even though they're your ex now, that's very kind of them. They'll give you $40 for a microtransaction. Holy shit. I love that. Hey, so yeah, last gunfight tournament is tonight, apparently, according to the blog post. Yeah, last tournament tonight. I'll be up to do it. I think I'm gonna get a big head start on this video, and I got this other Facebook content I gotta post, and then from there, we will definitely go ahead and prepare for a gunfight tournament tonight. So I think because the embargo doesn't lift till Thursday for Vanguard tomorrow, I'll just be recording Vanguard footage, getting some videos prepared, and then Thursday I'll stream the whole campaign live. Look at Frank the Rabbit over here. Oh, he got dropped by Marshals. Oh wow, Tech 9 still being abused. I see. No, yeah, it's a 2-tap. Tech 9 is super annoying. Literally a 2-tap. You get that. You hit with that thing. Quick tomahawk. No, I get fucking 74 tracered. People that use 74U tracer, man, like, why? Go for Frank right here. Oh, Frank's sweating. Frank's sweating. I'm out of there. Got this guy right here. Woo! Can he snipe that? Can he snipe that? Whoa, whoa. Oh! We're going off, chat. Gotta get this disciple right. The disciple running around. Oh, he got sniped in the head. AFK teammates, hello? What the f... Oh, I'm dead. I'm super dead. Never mind. I'm not dead. Oh! Someone just ran right past me.
Each season has a color in Cold War, doesn't it?
Each season, yep. Correct.
Do you know them, any chance?
Do you know which color?
Do you know which season was which colors?
Yes, I do. Ooh, Tomahawk for the win. Ooh! Oh my god, chat, we're going off. Yeah, season 1 was red, season 2 was yellowish. Season 3 was blue, season 4 is orange, 5 is purple, and 6 was green. I believe that's the order. Off the top of my head. I'll repeat it again slower though. I know that was way too fast.
Yeah.
I just read them all fucking.
So I'm gonna be that dead.
Yeah. Oh my god, chat, we are smacking with this thing. ICBM might be a play for this weapon. Oh! Oh my god! What are we doing to these people? Oh, I want to play ICBM 24/7 right now with this thing. Guys, scuff jumping with a 74. Like, reevaluate your life, please. God. Look at. Oh, another tomahawk. Getting nice tomahawks right here. Frank the Rabbit got sniped in the face. Oh, he's gonna. Oh, I'm dead. Got shot from like 7 different angles. All of them are using AKs too. You guys must really love that weapon. You got a couple Tech 9s and OTS there, but love the spawn right in someone's face. Oh, I'm dead. Multiple spawns in a row. I'm dead. I can't move. Oh, that guy on top, such an asshole. Somebody get this guy. Camping. Oh, we can actually win this match, but our team keeps dying. Oh! This is a good lobby though. Besides the 74 spammers. Oh! Hit him! Oh! Oh, that's play of the game. That's play of the game. That's play of the game. Oh my god. There's no way that's not play of the game. Oh, if my teammate didn't die, I would have caught up for them. Oh my god. That's play of the game 100%. There's no way it's not. Yes. Oh my god. That was... Look at this chat. Absolutely ridiculous. I got lucky they were sniping. Oh. I got so lucky dodging these guys. I hit the Sam right here too, I think. I do. Wow. That was insane. That's a note to end on, chat. That is a note to end on. We got our best play there. Absolutely insane. We're going to save that just in case the share button. Great footage, man. Wow, dude. Holy crap. Frustration introduced, if I'm not mistaken, but it's so annoying when I see CDLs using 74U and Diamatti. Yeah, people are still stuck with that, man. They couldn't get used to any other weapon. They couldn't drop nukes on any other weapon but that. That's hilarious, bro. That was wild, chat. That was a really good best play, and I had the new calling card showcased in there. Absolutely love that. Holy crap. That was great. I will take that as our final match of the stream here. That was a lot of fun. That's a lot of fun. Should we go for one more ICBM? Maybe one more ICBM. Let's see. My lobby crashed anyway. Nice. If I get ICBM, we'll do it again. That map was really addicting. Purple anime tracer. Yeah. Kick that to league play and keep it in there. Exactly. Exactly, Albert. Vanguard. That's it. That's the message. We're so close, man, to a new COD. I mean, I still really do like Cold War that I wouldn't have minded if they said, hey, we're not going to do a COD this year. We'll just update Cold War all year instead. I would have been cool with that. U-Bahn? Did we do U-Bahn already? I think we did U-Bahn already. Yeah. I'll do ICBM one more match. Seriously, that was fun. That was a big GG. We were going off there. No round base for Vanguard means good by COD for me. I guess it's a hot take, right? A lot of people would say the opposite. Nuke weapon. So I would actually, to be honest, if I'm using a primary assault rifle SMG to go for a nuke and I have a hammer sickle secondary, that's still useful. I would still use that 100%. That's crazy, man. That's actually insane. Oh, what map did we just get? Oh, U-Bahn? No, we're not doing U-Bahn. I'll literally do ICBM or Bus right now. Or even Mansion. We didn't get Mansion today yet. We got all other maps. I think we skipped KGB as well, but that's fine. Glad to tune into the stream tonight. Got it right as the call is about to start, and I had a great time as usual. Appreciate that, Fat Albert. Yeah, again, my original plan was to go live at like 12 o'clock noon when this update was supposed to drop, but then they tweeted out saying, hey, the update's going live tonight instead at 9 o'clock Pacific, and I'm like, okay, so I'll wait till tonight to use the hammer and sickle. That, of course, wasn't correct, so that's why my stream schedule was a bit off today, but that's all right. What mode you hype for the most in Vanguard? I don't know, man. I think, let me try to think about that. For multiplayer, that's tough. I mean, what new modes are coming to multiplayer? Nothing really new, right? We pretty much play everything in the beta. I guess I'm still excited for Champion Hill and S&D.
It's basically Modern Warfare.
Yeah. Randy, so what mode do you like more, zombies or multiplayer? I've always played multiplayer more. I've always been a multiplayer sweat. But it's hard to really choose, man, because I have different purposes and different days for when I play each mode and whatnot, depending on what video I'm working on. But if I really had to choose, I mean, it's tough. I do really love multiplayer with the full squad and whatnot. I've always enjoyed that. Oh, Glubico. We'll try Glubico. Why not? Try Glubico. It's our new face-off map. Haven't played this one yet with the hammer. Have a good evening, Fat Albert. Appreciate you popping in, man. I got a video dropping tonight. Hopefully you tune in. And I will see you with a bunch of Vanguard coverage later this week. I definitely think tomorrow will be a zombies video. Tomorrow we'll be talking about the intro cinematic cutscene that's dropping officially. There's that GameSpot interview I want to talk about regarding round base. But tonight will be like what could be my final Black Ops Cold War video for a while, unless we get more updates to the game. We'll see. So we'll be posting that tonight. Bad map, leave. We'll see, man. In gunfight, it's a bit tough with this map. But let's see. Hammer and sickle. We'll see how we do with this. We'll see how we do with it. Have a good one as well, Deadly Alpha. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Is the next trailer game going to be about the Perseus Corporation? Well, it seems like Perseus is spread across a group, obviously, not just one person. But the man himself, who we thought was the big bad in campaign, already had died from cancer, and his tombstone's in Verdansk, which that's confirmed in the Season 6 outro. Speaking of that, is the outro even in the cinematic menu in this game? I gotta check that menu. The cinematic archive, that feature is pretty funny, but it doesn't have all the cutscenes. Oh, I'm dead. I got stuck in place somehow. Let's see. Glubico. Oh, I missed that tomahawk terribly. I think everyone's sniping. That's actually a little bit helpful for our melee weapon usage. Oh, and I guess, yeah. Professional snipers on their team. PlayStation scuff users, probably. Oh, I forgot how good the AUG was. That's a one burst. How did that tomahawk not hit that guy? That literally hit him. There's a guy standing still. What the hell? Oh, and I get... Oh, I would have got a bunch of kills right there. They're sniping. I guess this map attracts snipers more than any other? I don't know. Oh, man, not one hit. I'm spawning on snipers now. Wow, Jed, it's not a note to end on at all. These guys love their snipers. My team's abysmal. Oh, marshals too? What aren't they using? What the? Wow. Oh, and I get... They're using shotguns, marshals, and snipers. Damn. Wow, chat. Gotta love these guys. Oh, yeah, we're not doing that. That's abysmal. Holy shit. That team is terrible. Have a great night. Damien PSN, much love for your support. Robert said, will Black Ops ever be back? I mean, it seems like Activision doesn't want Treyarch to make any non-Black Ops Call of Duty, so that's a good question, man. We'll have to see if they keep doing Black Ops going forward. Yeah, I'm really curious on the future of what Treyarch's working on for Call of Duty, man. Let me see. Mr. Windows. Let's see. Any lobbies? Yeah, no lobbies without crossplay on. Let's see. Lots of snipers and melee. Yes, the melees are fine, but the snipers, man, yeah, we don't like that. We don't like that. We'll try one. We'll see one more. Love to get another. I want to get another ICBM in, but if we get Mansion, I'll take that as well. Take either one, but yeah, I actually got some progress for the base unlock, which is funny. 3 out of 15 already on that. That might take a while though, because you can't back out of the matches when you do it. You have to actually stay through the entire time. What map did we get? U-Bahn again. It wants to give us U-Bahn. We don't want U-Bahn. Let's see. GG Cold War. Yeah, man. It's been a hell of a DLC season, dude. I've loved every minute of it. Hoping for another strong post-launch season with Vanguard and then Modern Warfare 2 next year. We'll see. We will see. No lobbies, man. Come on. Give us one. Oh, KGB. Oh, I'll take KGB. Why not? Take a KGB chat to wrap up everything on. We'll do it. Fuck it. We'll take it.
Can you check Twitter when you get a chance?
Yep. That's actually beautiful, man. Thank you. I love that. Perfection. You got the colors perfectly.
There's one tiny thing I need to fix, actually.
Yeah. Domination KGB. The next card will be Black Ops Cold War 2. Tyler, there was too many snipers. We're trying to use melee weapons. We're not trying to... You probably came to the stream late, let me guess. We just got a really nice best play and a really high kill game on ICBM. That was a lot of fun. But yeah, that Glubico was not fun. We were just too many snipers. If you're not having fun, back out, man. Simple as that. You pay for a game, you're not enjoying it, back out, right?
I'm just not having...
I love those comments, though. It's almost like, why'd you back out? It's like, well, I'm not having a good time. I'm not accomplishing what I want to do. It's like, why should I stay? Who requires me to stay? Want to use the hammer sickle?
Just fix that wee error on it, so I'll
send it on. Oh, nice. Swipe did not work. Let's go. Oh, there's a sniper in the back. Yeah, I hate stupid comments like that, man. They're really stupid comments. I'm obligated to stay in a match, even though people are sweating their asses off, even though I'm not doing what I need to do. Oh, missed that tomahawk throw. Oh. Oh, I'm dead right here. Yep, I'm dead. Guy's just sitting there, standing still. Yeah, a lot of professional snipers today, man. Go away. Oh, that guy's a tomahawk professional, apparently, too. I have competition with tomahawks today. Oh, I'm dead. Did you throw the sickle? No, that was a tomahawk. I didn't throw the sickle. What was that? Spawn right in front of the dude standing still. Nice. Oh, snipers really annoy me, dude. I do not like snipers. Might back out of this one too, honestly. This is way too much sniping for my liking. Way too much sniping. Guys are out. Guy has marshals, bro. Oh, I'm leaving this for sure. Guys are walking into walls with marshals. Yeah, I definitely should have ended on that ICBM game. Now it's punishing me for playing too good that match. It's gonna give me extra sweats. I'm out of that shit. Why'd you back out? Because I wasn't having fun. Why subject yourself to something you're not having fun with? Yeah, I know, right? That's always my response. It's like, in multiplayer especially, dude. If I'm not getting the gameplay I need, why the fuck should I stay in that lobby? You know what I mean? I love that. And then when you use the hammer and sickle, yeah, is movement different? The movement is not different. I'm using it right now, and it's not like the Psy. That would have been cool if it was, though. It should have been like that, right? How does Dark Ether look on it? Let's see. Oh, you can't really see much, man. It's just the top. For Dark Ether, that's kind of strange. It's only the top. It's like that. That's weird. That's really weird. What about regular Dark Ether or Dark Matter Ultra? Yeah, it only covers the top, unfortunately. Is it because I'm using the blueprint? Let's see if the regular... well, I can't equip the regular one. That's the thing. Huh. I don't know. What map did it just give us? I didn't even see. Oh, yes, our map. We got our map. We got ICBM, and the match just started. Okay, we'll end up on this note for sure. I wanted this map. It was either this or Mansion. Yeah, these are great, chat. Absolutely worth the unlock or the bundle, whichever you prefer.
Domination.
Let's see. Oh, I got sniped instantly. I love it. Oh, hella AFK people. Oh, my controller dies mid-match. Oh my god, that's insane. I was about to go on a crazy feed right there, and I get my controller just dies. Oh wow. Absolutely blue-balled. What the hell just happened to my audio? Okay, there we go. Wow, chat. Somebody should clip that. Oh, I gotta use these control freaks I'm using now on this controller. Somebody right here. Oh, his teammate standing still. Got his ass. Who threw a malt? What? Diamond Swiss Professional. That guy doesn't miss a shot. Oh. Shouldn't even have threw some out there. Wow. People are leaving the game. Yeah, this is... Man. That's what I said, chat. Play multiplayer with friends, seriously. Because now I got punished hard for that good game earlier we got. No way he hits me. Yep, he's gonna hit me. The snipers do not miss in this game. That's like, I think one of my pet peeves this past year was that people saying they need to nerf or buff the snipers, and I'm like, they're already way too good. Unless I just have terrible lobbies where people are professionals, but they need to be nerfed more. From my experience, I can't do shit. Fire everywhere. Let's see. Marshal usage. Oh my god. Oh, Captain Price sitting in a corner with a PPSH. This is not the match we had earlier, chat. I'll tell you that much. I missed one swipe and he Mac 10'd me in the face. Oh, sniper too. Wow. Oh man. Oh man. I can't do shit. Getting Molotovs thrown at me while I'm spawning. I love it. Oh, did we do the finishing move actually, chat? No, I just reminded myself I went behind that guy. Oh, Marshall. Marshall's unbeatable. Yeah, I was trying to go for a finisher real quick. That's what we'll end the stream off at. We try to get one. That's gonna be difficult. That's gonna be impossible actually in this lobby.
Are the Marshals that good?
Oh yeah, it's probably the best secondary of all time of any COD. Absolutely broken.
Oh,
yeah, Mac 10's now, chat. Yeah, this is the worst lobby ever. Let me try to get a finisher though. It might be possible. I almost had one earlier and I totally forgot to do it. That sniper don't miss. I couldn't throw the tomahawk. I'm spamming the button. I couldn't throw the tomahawk. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Thanks, Dustmaster. Yeah, tweet it at me. I'll retweet it. That's pretty funny. Absolutely abysmal lobby right now. Camping in a corner. I got him, though. I got him. Let's see. Should we go for that finisher, chat? We gotta go for it. Not in this lobby, though. Not in this lobby. I'm out of there, man. Oh, man. Yeah, we'll go for the finisher. I totally forgot about that earlier. I should have done it earlier. Totally forgot. Let me check that tweet you guys sent me. Yeah, I'll go for the finisher before we end. Oh, I just got the notification. Let's see. Oh my god, that's insane. I was about to go on a crazy feed right there, and I get my controller just dies. Oh wow. Oh, I got sniped instantly. I love it. Did I get one kill? Then that happens. Let me see. Oh, hella AFK people. Oh, my controller dies. That is such a golden clip, chat. That is such a golden clip. Insane. I love it. I was about to go on a crazy feed right there, and that's such a golden clip. I love it. That was worth streaming live. Hell yeah. That was definitely worth it. Pedro said you suck. Yeah, man. I know, right? Too many nukes, too many best plays that it puts me in these COD champs sniper lobbies. I'm using a melee weapon. I'm bad, right? Thanks for that clip, Kazan. Really appreciate that. Really appreciate that. Have I seen leaked gameplay of Zen? Yeah, everything's out there, man. Everything's out there, but I obviously can't speak about that live. You know, it's not worth the risk. But yeah, stuff is out there as usual with COD. That was a great clip. I'm gonna watch it again. I loved it. Let's see. Oh, I got sniped instantly. I love it. Oh, I'm in the way. Hold on. Oh, hella AFK people. Oh, my controller dies mid-match. Oh my god, that's insane. I was gonna go on a crazy streak there, yeah. Oh, we got Mansion. We'll try Mansion out. Let's see. Tweet as well, gold. Oh, appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Who will win, a professional sniper or somebody using a hammer and sickle? That's the question, chat. We haven't used a single weapon in these face-offs. Oh man. All right, let's go to end it right here. Let's get this finisher done, or at least a good match of Mansion. Either one, we'll take it. Finishers are difficult on face-off. Everybody's sweating their balls off. SBMM's is clan tag. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, this guy's went in for a quick little kill there. Nice. Oh. Guy right here. No. She had a knife. It's funny how fast the knife is, too. She went in. She's trying to unlock the hammer for free. Woo! Hella guys here. Somebody's throwing decoy grenades. That's hilarious. Wow. Do a little bit of stabbing. Oh, that didn't hit? Oh my god. I thought I swiped that dude. That did not register. I should have went for the finisher. I think this map is doable for a finishing move. Super doable. Where's everybody? Oh, I wasn't behind him exactly. Oops. People are backing out and rejoining. I think that's what's going on with this lobby. Oh. Oh, there's a guy. Oh, he got stabbed. Where's everybody? It's a full lobby now. Oh, I'm dead. Get tapped by a KSP. Imagine using that. Go for the finisher. Come on. Where are these guys at? Oh, there's somebody AFK on their team. Wow. This match is going quick. Oh, dude. He's just sitting there camping, bro. What are these guys doing? Let's see. We'll go for the finisher right here. Don't move. Don't turn around. I got it. Yes. We did it. Woo! That's a finisher. That's a finisher. We weren't playing as our Antonov skin, but that's alright. So the Battle Pass Mason. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. I'm dead. Where? All those teammates right in front of me and no one kills them. Nice.
You're right, the marshals are fucking fun.
Yeah, they're god tier. Absolutely god tier. People got mad at me for using it in my gameplays. It's literally a free noob.
I'm guessing Dragon's Breath needs it.
Oh yeah, Dragon's Breath's insane. Oh, I'm dead. Nail gun, I haven't seen that used in a while. Does double elimination. Yeah, it's a cool finisher. It's a cool finisher. I like it. Oh, I'm dead. Went in for that quick kill. People keep throwing decoy grenades. Trying to confuse us and shit. Oh, I'm dead. My lunge didn't work that time. More 74s. It's so sad seeing that. These people are just stuck in fucking December 2019 or December 2020. Using the old meta. I've seen the Ironhide being used a lot, though. I haven't really messed with it too much lately, but these guys are getting one-shot kills with it. Oh, yeah. These guys are out here. There's somebody in here. He's there. He's there. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Nothing I can do about that. KSP SMG, one tap. No. Oh, Marshall. I got Marshall sitting in a corner. Nice, buddy. We won this game, though, at least. Pretty much a slow-paced match. Quick cheeky tomahawks there. Oh, shotgunner right here. Oh, those marshals are frustrating. He's probably going for his camo unlock with him. This match might actually end by the score, by the timer, not even the score limit. That's weird. Dude, people don't know when to put the marshals down, man. What do I expect though? That's COD for you.
Are they bad dual wield?
Oh yeah, definitely. Absolutely broken dual wield. Where are these guys at? These spawns are confusing. Goes to war, buddy. Hey, don't move. Yeah, here we go. Oh, and he ruined my finishing move. That's hilarious. He wanted that free kill, didn't he? Or she, Helen Park. Not his ass. That's hilarious. That's the hammer and sickle chat. Definitely a lot of fun, man. Absolutely in love with them.
Hoorah! That's what I'm talking about.
Absolutely in love with them. Whew. Wow. Absolutely insane. Well, Sam, appreciate you hopping in. I'm gonna go take a shower and let me know what the vibe is later, man. I'll hit you up.
Alright, I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, I'll talk to you in a bit.
Peace out.
Adios, peace out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's gonna be it for our quick hammer and sickle gameplay. They had a lot of fun, some great matches in. Yeah, I have a Cold War video dropping tonight. Some more Facebook exclusive content also dropping. Definitely don't miss out on that if anybody's interested. Here's the Nightbot command in case you missed it. Kaiser said the challenge is BO2. This challenge is BO2's possibility to the current canon. You're going to DM me later about some inconsistencies with the storyline. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, I definitely might make a video, even after Vanguard's out, about some of the plot issues with Cold War and how it might decanonize Black Ops 2. Cinematic Archive, the Season 6 outro is not here yet, which is weird. Maybe with the patch tonight, it'll put it in there. A lot of other cutscenes that also aren't on this list. So I'm wondering if they're going to add that in later. But all in all, hope to see you guys in a video tonight. Also the Facebook content. And tomorrow, we'll see what I post tomorrow. It's probably going to be a zombie update dealing with the Duran Fung intro cinematic. And tomorrow I'll also be talking about some other zombie news. And then Thursday, should be streaming the full Vanguard campaign live for all you guys. So, yeah. Looking forward to a brand new launch of Call of Duty, man. It was great. Nothing much was confirmed in the investors call, but you guys know we always stream these, just in case. In the case they announce something special. But, yeah, actually, I'll log out real quick and show you guys. I have my other account. Let me actually log into it. You guys will see. Let's see when it says I can play Vanguard. Yeah, we don't want to stream it too early because the embargo is not lifted till Thursday morning. We don't want to accidentally get copyright struck. Yeah, 1 day and 12 hours. So that's tomorrow night. Yeah, so about tomorrow night, 5 a.m.-ish. Yeah, so we're looking at a pretty early launch of Vanguard for New Zealand copies. But for regular copies everywhere else, wrong button. So it's 1 day, what does it say? 1 day, 12 hours on New Zealand, and then it's going to be, what's the regular launch? Oh, it's just the same thing. Huh. Wait, that's not right. Huh? Something ain't right there. Maybe it didn't install the new... I got to check the New Zealand shit later. Let me double check. Time says the same. That's not right. I'll check it out later, chat. Anyway, with that being said, appreciate all the support. Much love for all the comments today. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.